So I had to declare it. Yes, Mr. Chol.
No, Chair. Obviously, my lord, from this side there is no problem. That side is the problem. My lord, there
Want
is-
me to come back that side?
that,
Yes.
not now. Like
Yes.
55, 56, 57.
Hmm.
Well, I am for the petition. I listed my learned friend, Mr. Chaudhary appears.
Hmm.
And Mr. Chakraborty is there.
Hmm.
So if it is not inconvenient, can be a date can be fixed, which is.
Whenever. I think
Yes.
Mr. Chaudhary, we'll have to leave him till 9th, 10th. We can't trouble him.
So, my lord, there is some.
The interest of the institution.
I know, but my lord, there is some urgency in this case. So Friday, can it be listed on Friday? It's like possible.
This Friday now.
So when-
He'll not be in a position till
Pardon?
9th. After 9th, any
One
day.
day I have, my lord, in between.
Wait.
30th if it is not in the.
30th, yes, 30th,
Okay.
30th. Right, okay.
As agreed to by the learned council for the parties, registry to list this. Why is it for? This is for because of that IA should be, or we have to go for the main disposal.
Otherwise, my lord, according to us, the petitions have become infructuous.
But I will, I will.
It'll come up for admissions or for
Admission.
admissions?
Admission.
As agreed to by the learned council for the parties, registry to list this matters again on 30/7/2025 for admission hearing.
I'm deeply opposed.
All right.
Fine.
Yes, Mr. Ajay.
I'm praying for listing this review petition, my lord. I filed it for yesterday.
Huh?
Review petition for listing.
This court, what was the issue?
The issue is that with the writ petitioner, he was not working in the school. He was working under the alphabetic supervision. But my lord,
Order passed by this court.
my lord, that aspect was not brought in the record by the
Okay,
petitioner.
get it. What date did you give?
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow will be difficult because I have already
The
disposing of matters which are reserved.
appointment
So
of the review petitioner has been set aside and he has been directly appointed. He may be appointed any time, my lord. That is the only
we'll try it day after, Thursday.
Fine.
So Friday.
Friday.
Friday could be. Yes.
That's a declaration item number 17, Your Lordship. I am put a respondent number 7, Your Lordship, who had filed affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship. That may be allowed to be court record.
3 and 4. Respond number 3 and 4.
7, Your Lordship.
7. Call.
All right.
Wait, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, declaration item 41.
Hmm.
The advance of the petitioner has already been met. So.
You want to withdraw it? Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S.C. Cal, learned counsel appearing for the respond number 5 and 6. 4 and 6. Mr. Sharma on instruction submit that during the pendency of the present writ petition, the relief prayed for has already been granted to the petition by the respondents. So, accordingly, he submits that the present writ petition has become infructuous. Also, the prayer is not submission is not objected to by Mr. S.C. Cal.
Here, the organization has been closed down.
Be that as it may, his grievance. Submission has not been disputed to by Mr. S.C. Cal, learned counsel appearing for the respond number 4 and 6. So, in view of the above, the present writ petition stands closed on having become infructuous. Interim orders passed earlier stand vacated.
Obligation.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention something like in lordship. Lordship, can this matter be taken up on the day after tomorrow, lordship, basically?
Why, madam?
Today, lordship, maybe personally.
Was this land bought by you or was it given to you by your parents?
This land was actually bought by me with the help of my.
You have not said that, madam. Anyway, you have not said. In your writ petition, the categorical contention is that this land was given to me gifted to me by my parents.
Yes, sir.
Whereas there is a sale deed. So you go there, explain from where the source is. That's all. What more is required?
No, lordship, that
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Kalik.
May please, my lord.
19th. As prayed for, register to list this matter again tomorrow, a day after tomorrow. On 25. 25/7/23 as a fixed item.
And the
May please, my lord.
But madam, you will have to satisfy me on that point. Yes,
May I please, my lord. My lord, with respect to item number 49, my lord,
49.
my lord. My lord, our department instructions are awaited, my lord. I'm praying for some time to obtain the same and file our accreditation of
You are appearing for?
Financial Taxation Department, my lord, on behalf of each of you.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation Department. Have you informed the other side?
Yes,
My
we
lord.
also have
Mr. Dear,
spoken to the
circulated
petition.
The Taxation Department for an adjournment in the matter for completion of his instructions. Also, prayer is not objected to by Ms. Pidas. Huh? B. P. Poddar, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matter immediately after two weeks from today.
The lordship brings the interim order activities.
Interim orders, if any, to continue till the next date of this.
Much obliged.
Always, my lord. May I please, lord.
I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. There is fixed for mediation. And the applicant who has been appearing, he is out of station and we could not get contact with him, whether he's.
We are nothing, it's only mediation. We'll ask them to go to the mediation.
He is
center.
out of station, Lordship.
Oh,
The applicant.
no problem. No problem. It's only mediation. You go there, see what happens. If nothing, if there is a failure, come back.
No, Lordship, I could not contact with him.
Which
So,
happens.
sometime
Need not be. This is, we have sent you, have any objection, take up the objection in the mediation center. We'll pass an order, you take up the objection in the mediation center. Yes, yes, yes.
Resolution. I beg to item number 5 and 14.
5,
My senior has father-in-law expired on last week.
item number 5 and
14.
what about 15? Come when the matter is called up, because that one matter connect, and this 5 will not go, it's only to the mediation center, nothing more. Okay? Come up when the matters are called up. Yes,
Also, I beg to mention item number 53.
why?
Actually, lordship, I'm making this mention on behalf of learned counsel, Surajit Datta, who is out of town.
Yes, Doctor.
Yes, lordship.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S. Doctor, Learned Counsel for the petition for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matters again after 2 weeks on a date which week's fine. Yes, Mr. Das.
Yes, may I please, your Lordship. Lordship, with regard to item number 52, your Lordship. Similar matters are fixed before Honorable Justice A.D. Chaudhary, your Lordship. We have adjourned those matters, Lordship. Let it be tagged with those matters, Lordship.
Mr. D.J. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that matters involving writ petitions involving the same issue as involved in the present writ petition is presently pending disposal before this court, and accordingly he prays that the present writ petition be tagged along with the said writ petition. Also, accordingly, the registry is directed. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today. Registry is directed to list this matters again after
Lordship, on Wednesday, Lordship.
list this matter again on
That will be, Lordship,
30.
29th, your Lordship.
No, no,
That is Tuesday, Lord. Sorry,
Thursday, Tuesday,
Tuesday, Lord.
29/7/2025, along with WPC number
1479 of 2024.
1479 of
2024.
2024. Okay.
Much of that.
Yeah, done. Yes. Disposed of. Item number 2, disposed of. But you'll get the copies by Monday or Tuesday only. So apply Tuesday by Monday or Tuesday. We have delivered the order. We have interfered with the orders of the election tribunal. We have directed that the petitioner shall be allowed to assume office, participate in the elections of president and vice president if so desired. However, everything will be subject to the outcome of election petition number 3/2022. Just dictated the order. By afternoon, you should get it. Provided it is clear in the draft, signatures, corrections, I don't know. But the dictation is over. I'll try to give it to you today, subject to my, the way we work. Caveat discharged. Caveat is there always. But you are for the election commission.
I'm for the.
No, I don't want you. You are the interested part. You can pass on a message that this is the order pass. By evening, I'll try to upload.
The PNRD can also.
PRD. I have allowed the writ petition. He should be, I've set aside the order of the learned tribunal. He should be allowed to take oath tomorrow. Okay? Just put it on. I'll have the order. You will get the order by tonight. No problem. It will dispose of it. Hey, Eke order. Huh? Eke order. I mean, mediation only the same order. Heard Mr. B. Roman, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. G. Hazurika, learned counsel, and Bodler. Why do I get it always wrong? Somehow. Very good. So you will have to do something for that. Ms. N. Woodley, learned counsel, standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Registry, date to mediation, 21/8/2025. Huh? Next to hold, yes. Mediation center. Everything will be there in the order. Yes, you are Mr. B. Bora. B. Bora. Yes, ma'am. B. Bora. Ms. Bodler, you are appearing on Ms. N. Bodler. Oh, for Likiba, Mr. J. Hendick appears for the state respondent. Government advocate appears for the state respondent. Same thing here. 20, it key about it, 22. Mediation center. The number of the coordinator and everything will be given in the order. Then? Miss, your name?
SS Ahmed, on behalf of Mr.
Heard Mr. S.S. Ahmed, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner. And same thing. N. Bodoloi, Aru, J. Standing counsel, revenue, and Mr. J. Hendick, government advocate for the state respondent. 26.
My lord, I have instructions from my senior that I will have to file an additional affidavit.
Whatever you do it before the mediation center.
Problem.
You are Mr.
SZ as
S.Z.
SZ as well, for N alum.
Mr. S.Z.
Rasbongsi.
Learned counsel appearing for Mr. Learned counsel appearing for the heard Mr. Rasbongsi appearing learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Alam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss N. Bordoloi, learned counsel appearing learned standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, and Mr. J. Hendick, learned government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. Also, it took him 27. Okay, sir? 27. The number of the coordinator and everything will be in the order.
Your best.
Yes.
I filed the impleading petition. I may be allowed to take steps on this one.
Why? Without issuing notice, why should you take steps? Notice has not been issued. Anybody objecting to this? Who is appearing for the respondents?
No one is appeared to do, the last date also no one is appeared.
You want to implead the whom do you want to implead? 5, 6, and 7.
Yes, 5, 6, 7.
What's up? Heard Mr.
Harpal.
R. Paul, learned counsel for the petitioner. None has appeared for the respondents. Mr. Paul, learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that. by way of instituting the present interlocutory application, he has prayed for impleading the impleading the opposite parties number 5, 6, and 7 as respondents number 5, 6, and 7 in the connected writ petition. So he has submitted that the respondents herein being the airline which had transported the material involved are necessary party for a due and proper adjudication of the issues arising in the writ petition. Also, I have perused the averments made in the interlocutory application, and upon hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner, this court is of the considered view that the present interlocutory application needs to be allowed and the opposite parties number 5, 6, and 7 be permitted to be impleaded as respondents number 5, 6, and 7 in the connected writ petitions for early adjudication of the issues arising, for a due adjudication of the issues arising in the connected writ petition. Accordingly, the present interlocutory application stands allowed. The opposite parties number 5, 6, and 7 are directed to be impleaded as respondents number 5, 6, and 7 in the connected writ petition. Interlocutory application accordingly stands disposed of. Writ petition of the giver. In view of what has passed today in I bracket 6 number 1660/2025, Impleading. It to me, page 7 of 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3. Roman 1, Roman 2, impleading the following parties as in view of the order passed today in ISC number so and so, impleading the following authorities as party respondents number 5, 6, and 7, comma. Petition to file an amended cost title incorporating the present newly impleaded names of the newly impleaded respondents in the cost title. File an amended cost title within 2 days from 2 working days from today. Also, on filing of such amended cost title, petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice, for service of notice upon the respondent number 5, newly impleaded respondent number 5, 6, and 7 by registered post with AD. Also, steps within 3 working days from today. Also, register to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to earlier than. Yes, anything?
Lordship, matter, my lord, the instructions I have received is the, my lord, that as per the notification, number AEE 153, my lord, he was lacking qualification, my lord, at that point of time. During.
But
10
his name was recommended by the district level selection committee.
It was, my lord, it was, and it was placed before the SLSC, and SLSC had, my lord, I have got the instruction. Can I bring it on the, for record, my lord?
No need, you give me the SLC minutes are there.
My lord, that's there. Can I, my lord?
So he'll have to file an appeal now. File an appeal. You give me that
Well, I'll just send it. Can it be taken after some time?
after some.
The losses my lord promised me. The losses promised me, my lord. I have got some records, my lord.
Dibakar Seal is the third post.
Yes. So he was appointed after a due procedure has been conducted, madam. And his case is not similar to the case of the writ petitioners.
Okay, Mr. Swami, we will hear Mr. Swami. Yes, Mr. Swami. Facts in both the cases are the same.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah,
What is your ground?
Regarding Demarcation, I want to place one thing.
Okay, we'll place Dibakar Seal. First you place yours. First you satisfy me with your right.
Okay, also, this was appointed, as it is clear before your work, in the year 2013, then again in the year 2014.
Where is the initial appointment orders?
Initial appointment order,
Page 31.
page 31. Then again you are this 31, 32, these are the two appointment orders.
Hmm.
Thereafter, petition will continue. No fresh appointment order. Till the last appointment order was issued. In the meantime, I'll check. You can see page 7, minutes are 14. This is the data submitted for submitted before the NAAC,
Page
page 74. 68. 68.
68. Okay.
Here you also will find the name of the petitioner, that page 72. Serial number 15, the second petitioner, and the 23 is the first petitioner. Then what's it?
Just a moment. This is to the submitted to the
To the NAAC, national.
NAAAC,
Yes. For the, now,
wherein name petitioners. And where is your name? 72.
page 72, my name is at, page, serial number 23. Tamojit.
You say this was done to maintain the teacher-student ratio.
Yes, sir. On the basis of all this, the A grade was issued, now it got a no status.
Ah,
Now, what's it, meanwhile, the Director of Higher Education issued two orders, Chip.
where are they?
Yes. One, page 62 and 63.
62, 63.
In suppression of the developmental early order as the following procedure modalities are prescribed for running the appointment of teachers and non-teaching staffs against non-existent post of provincial schools for B. No provincial school shall henceforth engage any person as teacher and non-teaching staff where no sanctioned post is for the above party. All members of the governing body of colleges, including the principal secretaries of the colleges, will be held responsible for any violation in this regard. The principal police shall submit proposal for administrative approval of filling up the vacant section post 6 months before this of vacancy to its director. The principal of the respective colleges shall invariably submit report of compliance of the above condition in the month of April of the year as a pre-commission for release of funds for such colleges by the state government. The second poem, next please.
This is for filling up of the vacant posts.
Yes.
Then what happened?
This is for banning also. Henceforth, no appointment on non-existent post to be made. This is the one arm of point.
Then what happened?
Number one. So if this point is followed, then the appointment order is sent to the petitioner. That is illegal.
Illegal.
Yes, because there is ban for issuing appointment.
Where is that 89 days? That is page 67.
There is. Yes. The petition was continuing, there was no any adverse remark against them also. So, by this order, or cases that are governing body cannot issue this appointment order in view of the bar provided in when dated 18 February 2009, page 64.
So you mean to say that the governing body could not have issued this all because it is in the teeth of page 62. Right, then?
Also, secondly, in many of the communications, the petitioner was shown as temporary.
Temporary in that NAC thing, temporary ad hoc oblique contractual.
In NAC, ad hoc contractual, but in ad hoc
Okay,
document-
fine, I accept it.
And this is my case.
This is the case. Now just tell me, how was your initial recruitment made?
What's it? Initial agreement was there's an appointment order without any acknowledgement.
So Mr. Sharma fairly submits, there was no advertisement.
But after his appointment, he was engaged in several works, like examiner or exam by the Tribunal University.
Okay, any decision?
So
This is your case. Yes, Mr. Prabhu.
My lord, if your lordship can be seized, my lord, and he has admitted.
You have put this man in the job
My lord.
from 2013 onwards, right?
Right.
So 13 till 2025, he has been rendering around 12 years of service. He is overage by now.
He did not accept the renewal. He did not accept the renewal till that.
Oh, he is not in work with effect from
Yes, he is not in work with effect from
November 2023.
23.
which date?
From my lord. The lordship finally comes to paragraph 13 of the requisition, my lord. On 29/9/2023, my lord, at the third line of the paragraph 13.
The 5 days salary of the month of October 2023 was paid.
So from October 22, 5 days, 1 to 5. After that, you're not. From October 23, you're not working.
No,
I was not assigned any duty also.
because he did not
I was
accept
going
it.
to the college, but no duty was assigned, no class was allotted to me. Lordship, there is vacancy in the board, not in sanction board, but teachers are required.
Sanction post vacancies are there. So how will, who is appearing for the government? Can you get hold of, so Bro, can you get hold of anybody from the higher education department? Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. We'll have that date clarification from you after I hear Mr. Chaudhary.
So
Can take your
the
seat.
manner in which he was appointed, that was for the purpose of running the day-to-day affairs and to lessen the burden on the staff, which was actually there, my lord, at that point of time, and he was continuing, my lord. Now, despite that ban, my lord, which was there from the government, my lord, that letter which my learned friend has produced, my lord, that there was a ban when the government had asked nobody to be appointed against non-sanctioned post in this manner, because, my lord, what happens was the government in the meantime has reduced the amount of fees that was being paid by the students. And these teachers, my lord, who were taken up on contractual basis, these students, these teachers, my lord, they were paid out of the consolidated fund of the college. Now the consolidated fund of the college itself became non-existent, but even then, my lord.
Just so. When did the government do away with the fees?
2019.
No fees are collected.
No, a very little amount of fees is collected. The discretion on the authority of the college to, my lord, fix the quantum of fees, that has been taken away by the government, my lord. And what is the fees that will be paid is now decided by the government, my lord. If your lordship kindly turns to page 118, 118 of the affidavit in opposition filed by us. That is
Para?
the notification dated, my lord, no, this is on page 118 is annexure 8 of my affidavit in opposition, my lord. This is a letter from the government, my lord. May I read it, my lord? To principal all colleges, government of the provincialized regarding revised uniform fee structure for HS and UG program in all colleges and universities. Sir of the matter, in reference to subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you the government of Assam in Department of Higher Education has approved the revised uniform fee structure for HS and UG program in all the colleges and universities. The copy of the uniform fee structure as approved is enclosed herewith for your necessary perusal. You are expected to strictly comply with the approved fee structure. The eligibility criteria will remain the same as the previous year. So, my lord, by this notification, the, my lord, fee structure that was brought in uniformity, my lord, and that was fixed by the government, my lord.
So you can come to the page 121 there.
Yes, my lord. So all those who were there, my lord, we wanted that they should be there, and we offered them out of the college funds, whatever we could, my lord. From there, we said that please accept it and continue like this. Because in the meanwhile, my lord, we also were having a discussion with the government, my lord, as regards increase of the strength of the college, my lord.
Sanction post.
My lord. So that was not given till now, that has not been decided, my lord.
Okay,
So this of appointment of 89 days which we had given, that was.
He did not accept it.
Yes, he didn't accept, my lord. And now he comes up before this court with the prayers, my lord, before lordship kindly sees, my lord, the prayers.
regularize.
Whether that can be, my lord, tenable at this
That-
stage,
that
my
thing.
lord. My lord.
Now tell me one thing.
Hello.
You are in need of a teacher.
My lord.
He had some views.
Hello.
Some views that because of this, my future prospects may be hampered if I accept this. Be that or it may, he is working for 12 years. Will you be agreeable to take him back in this manner, like you are doing for the others?
Then, my lord, I'll have to seek instruction.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, do you want to go back?
Yes, lord.
89, in the terms and conditions fixed by the College of Authorities. Nothing more, nothing less. And I will provide that whenever there is a direct recruitment in the, when they start posts are sanctioned, you
Sir.
fulfill the qualification, age condonation will be given.
Satya Prakash.
Huh?
Satya Prakash.
This much only I
Really,
can.
he had said that, my lord, and on the first day I would have said that, my lord, Satya Prakash is there, my lord. So, my lord, that is whenever he did not say that. My lord, kindly see the prayers which is being made, my lord.
Forget the prayers.
And my lord, now antagonizing everybody in the college with this, my lord.
He has realized
My lord.
after being out for such time that he should go back.
My lord.
If you go back, accept that, I'll provide for this too.
Yes.
Subject to Mr. Chaudhary having that instruction from the college.
At 2 p.m., my lord.
Yes. So that resolves this issue?
Yes, lord.
Done.
There cannot be a better mediation than this, my lord.
Everything should not be taken adversely.
My lord.
He is also a human being. He is
My
also
lord, we
serving.
understand, my lord.
And
We
I have-
understand.
Mr. Chaudhary, the only thing I went through the whole brief was
My lord.
whether there was something adverse against him. I found nothing.
Nothing.
So he's a good teacher.
More or less, he is.
Get taking back. And Mr. Sharma can't help it beyond that. No regularization. 89 days, 40 days,
I know.
and what period you have not worked, they will treat that period that you have worked,
Yes.
but no pay and allowances.
Okay.
That will do.
My lord.
Come back at 2.
At 2.
We'll pause the orders. Mr. Sigdar,
My lord.
give me a handle. How can I help you?
My lord.
Your own certificate goes against you.
My lord.
Demands.
My lord, on rule 16A of the CRPF rule provide that
CRPF.
1 month notice is to be given.
They have given you in lieu of that, they have given you 1 month salary.
The
That we will direct
That was
them to,
decision was
that this court can take care of. We'll direct them to give you 1 month salary, that much only.
decision was taken by a single officer, not by a medical board.
I'm not on that. The overwhelming materials that have come on record, including your document from Nimans,
My,
clarifies that you were suffering from
my,
mental disorder.
they have exaggerated.
No, you come to your Niman
Before my
certificate.
joining, my father died.
I
After my
understand.
joining,
See, Mr.
my
We are
mother
with you.
died.
We are with you.
Necessarily,
We are
I
with-
may be.
You have it. If it was a civil employment, I would not have any objection. But this is with regard to armed forces, where you will have to have the arms with you. Come to page 41. That is what is creating
My
problems.
lord, not,
41.
51. Yes, my lord.
Diagnosis
This is
complicated grief disorder
So certificate
by the Nimans.
of person is fit to resume.
Wait, this is with regard to a civil employment. But you see the diagnosis. Complicated grief disorder. Grief disorder.
My lord, let's say not of that.
Can't help it.
My lord.
Hurt Mr. A.R. Sigdal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also hurt Mr. B. Deka, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents. Hearing concluded, registry to list this matter again on. Budbare ki baar application hui. No, agad ki baar Delivery of what is the son? Fine. On Wednesday, 30, 20,
With
30, 7:20.
My lord, with this day I may not be available.
You need not be.
Deeply obliged.
I said.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Fugad.
Within the, what you will see, just below the table, my lord. Said proposal was placed before the SLSC. After verification of the documents, the SLSC recommended the above teachers of our provincialization of service against so and so. The name of the petitioner so and so submitted proposal for creation of the post against the post to the government, and accordingly government had sanctioned so and so post. In the said sanction letter, so and so, with the instruction are not provincialized and the post sanction against the schools. So and so. Now, my lord, after that, my lord, in this connection is stated that the government issued a notification in 2005, my lord, wherein, my lord, the qualification should have been, my lord, a higher secondary. So he was at that point of time, he was 2006, he was a HSLC, so that was in violation. So that's why, my lord, held by the government, my lord. The lordship sees, my lord, the last page, annexure A. The list of certain names are there when the petitioner's name is there. Jahanara Khatun. Her name was held because of underqualified. Who was underqualified. Total of 5 teachers were there who were of different schools, and within them she was underqualified because of that particular. 2B3A of the SM Education Provincialization Rules 77 was amended.
You are still a matriculate.
No, Lordship, I have completed higher secondary law also. Lordship, if it's indicated in the Lordship, Lordship kindly see page. It's 48. No. 48 and extra 40.
Where he passed 2017, man, much after.
What is this notification? You have a copy of that notification?
At the moment, I don't have, but this is notification.
Do you read that paragraph in this connection?
In this connection, it is stated that the government issued a notification number AEE.153 2005 74 dated 10/11/2005. It was published in 2005. Published in the Assam Gazette, in which clause 2B3A of the Assam Elementary Education Rule 77 was amended as assistant teachers minimum qualification, higher secondary or any other examination of equivalent standard having 45% marks in any of the qualifying examination. For general categories and minimum 40 marks for reserve category shall be a minimum qualification for the post of assistant teacher in lower primary and upper primary school. With
What
the
do you mean
direction,
by this? Assistant teachers, minimum qualification, higher secondary or any other examination of equivalent standard,
yes,
having
GB
45 marks in any qualifying examination, higher secondary or HSLC.
yes, ma'am.
So if it is even third division in higher secondary, if he has 45% marks in HSLC, that will do. Is that the interpretation?
The interpretation is, well, not, yes, first of all, has to be an HS. It has to be
Then
HS.
45.
In this case, yes, Lordship, and in the as per, it was passed in 2005, and this was in 10/1/2006. Thereafter, he was this thing. He was his name was recommended. Whereas then they were supposed to give him, but then the
But
government
he has the qualification now.
now he
Consider
was
his case.
17, man, 17. So
Consider his case.
so Lordship will dispose it of with let him place his case, my lord, and then therefore that it can come to a logical conclusion. Man. That can be given.
Let him appear before the secretary.
Secretary. That will be good because they have only
Right.
No.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
S. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department. The petition, by way of instituting the present proceeding, has raised a grievance with regard to the non-provincialization of her services as assistant teacher in Kosim Mouramari Jahanar Gaon Mokbul Hussain LP School. Etu paba tumi page 6 of Mandala introduction. Also, as projected in the petition, the petitioner was appointed by the managing committee of Hossein Muamai or Muamari Jahaner
Hossein
Gaon
Muhammadi.
Hossein Muamari
Muhammadi.
Jahaner Gaon Mokbul Hussain LP School by its managing committee on 10/1/2006. The petition accordingly joined the said school on 10/1/2006 itself. Also, the cases of the eligible teachers of the said school were taken up for provincialization under the provisions of the Act of 2011. The earlier incumbent, the headmaster was under the 2011 Act,
Yes.
right? 11 Act, and the name of the petitioner was also so forwarded for consideration. Also, the district level scrutiny committee on verification of the particulars of the petitioner and one Motiu Rahman, who was working as the head teacher of the school, recommended their names for provincialization of their services. Also, accordingly, the proposal as submitted in the matter in pursuance to the recommendation made by the district level scrutiny committee, by the jurisdictional district level scrutiny committee, came to be placed before the state level scrutiny committee. Also, the state level scrutiny committee on verification, on examination of the said proposal proceeded to recommend the name of the petitioner for provincialization of her services in the said school along with that of Motiu Rahman. Also, the Director of Elementary Education Assam thereafter submitted a proposal for creation of posts before the government in the Department of School Education, and accordingly, posts were also sanctioned. Also, however, on a scrutiny made by the respondent authorities, it was found that the petitioner did not have the requisite educational qualification during the time of her initial engagement in the school in question, that is, as on 10/1/2006. Accordingly, the name of the petitioner came to be dropped from the list of teachers found eligible to have their services provincialized. Also, the said Act of 2011 was set aside by this court, and thereafter the respondent authorities had enacted the Assam Education Provincialization of Services, yet as page 15 underlying page. Also, it is the contention of the petitioner that her case has not been considered after the enactment of the Act of 2017. Full stop. Accordingly, she prays that a direction be issued to the respondent authorities for having her case considered under the provisions of the Act of 2017. Also, it is contended by the petitioner that in the year 2016, she has acquired a higher secondary qualification from the, where is that certificate?
That should be page 30.
From the Assam State Open School under the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. According
17 years, 17.
Huh?
It's not 16, 17. It's past in 2017.
16,
Past
16, 16. 16 itself, pass
past 17, date 2/3/17.
in 2017. Also, the petitioner submits that she now possesses the requisite educational qualification for having her services provincialized. Also, Mr. Pukat submits that. The, of course, it is submitted by the Learned Council for the petition that her services, if not permissible to be provincialized as a teacher, can very well be also provincialized as a tutor. Full stop. Yeah, Brian. Page 53. Again, the materials brought on record would go to review. Huh? A to A, para 9, page 53. Now we should 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 16. 18. 20, Ali 409 to Nikiba. In view of the above discussion, this court is of the considered view that the following directions are called to be passed in the matter. Huh? Semicolon. Huh? Following directions are called to be passed in the matter. Answer to me, para 22, page 1, 2, 3. Okay, going well. 20, para. I'll make the corrections. Disclose them.
Okay.
May I please take it out? I need to take.
No, no, no. You have been taking instructions only. Matter is pending from 2025 years. What has happened? Why?
After it was long time, it was listed.
Be that as it may, it was listed in March. Before that, in 22.
Okay, I'm also similar.
Only thing is, he has a license.
Yes.
He has been given an identity card. Why it was not taken forward? I only want that.
Yes, I will inform there on
At 2 o'clock.
next signal.
No, today. 5 years only for that instruction. I'll call your director. I'll interact with him. What is this being done?
Yes.
Only that instruction, the reason. German, fine. Otherwise, set aside. Finished. And also take an instruction, what is the status of her license today?
Yes.
Just have that, come back at 2.
Yes.
At 2, Mr. Bhim.
My lord, obliged.
I have for subposition of the legal error, the petition.
Is a notice is required to be issued
Okay,
here?
okay.
Anybody appearing for the respondents?
Yes, Lord.
Who?
P. Borua is appearing.
Who?
P. Borua.
Get him. So we'll note that he has no objection.
I have not seen today.
Check up. Only thing is that these have to be brought in. This is
Yes.
a normal thing. Nobody can object to this.
Yes. In time, but
Okay, we'll pass the order. But Mr. S. Dekal, Learned Council for the petition. For the applicant, I8, huh? IA 221723. Also, the present application, interlocutory application has been instituted by the applicants, huh? Praying for substituting their names in place of the original petitioner, Madan Lal Agrawal, who had, during the pendency of the present petition, passed away, who had, during the pendency of the present petition, passed away on 12/4/2025. Also, for Nixon, none has appeared for the response. Also, on considering the issue involved, I also heard Mr. J. handing
government.
Yeah,
1, 2, and 4.
government advocate appearing for
1, 2, and 4.
that's respondents number 1, 2, and 2. The other respondents are not represented. None appears for the other respondents. Who's up? On a perusal of the contentions raised in the interlocutory application as well as in the connected writ petition, this court is of the considered view that the issue involved subsists for consideration. Issue raised in the writ petition subsists for consideration, and accordingly, the right to sue having survived, the present applicants are required to be implemented as petitioners in place of the original petitioner, that is Madan Lal Agarwal. So accordingly, the applicants in the present application are permitted to be implemented as petitioners number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6, 1.6 and 1.7 in the connected with petition in place of the original petitioner. With the above observations and directions, the present application stands, interlocutory application stands disposed of. Writ petition. In view of the order passed today in I bracketed C number 2217, 2025, permitting impleading of the applicants therein as petitioners in the present with petition, the applicants therein would be now impleaded as follows. A, page 3 and 4 on taking A to A on the debt. Full 1.1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. And I have to read about. Petitioner, learned counsel for the petition to file an amended cost in the matter. Raised it to this matter after 2 weeks for admission. Admission only.
Admission on
For admission. Period.
on 6th of August.
After 2 weeks, I said. All right. You filed the amended cost title.
Number 14, Millard, on behalf of Mr. Annual Mandal, District Adjournment.
You have not even filed a reply in this. Why?
He had to rush back to his home place due to some urgency.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. What about 15? Yes. Where is your allotment order? You are for the petition. Who is for the private respondent?
I'm for the bill.
Where is your allotment order?
Lord, I have annexed it at this 109 in my affidavit.
This is just a recommendation. Where is the consequential order?
Yes, not allotment. This is my.
How can the recommendation of a land advisory committee become the allotment order? Yes, Mr. This cannot be. Where is your allotment order? Everybody is breaking their head. Where is the allotment order? And one thing, you have been given 2 allotments. Let's hope. Let's take that. That is an. You have been in the same meeting given 2 allotments. One for 4 lesser, one for 6 lesser. What is the policy? A same person can be given 2 allotments.
No, my lord.
You seem to be a very.
Only one, my lord. Only
4 lesser.
6.
6 lesser you have not been given.
Not.
Then what they are challenging? Yes, what are you challenging?
On the basis of record, the petitioners are maintaining their probation.
I'm not on that. How many, what are the allotments? What is the parcel of land given to them? 4 lessers or 6 lessers?
That is their concept. We are in a position of 6 lessers. Otherwise,
On the, a prayer is made on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Also, a WBC 5723. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, raised it to list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it, along with WPC number 840-2021. 840-2021 of Litiva. Registry to list this matter again list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it, along with WPC number 572-2021. First, clarify whether it is 4 lesser, 6 lesser, what is, you come and then come back.
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, the case has been filed, Lordship. Then, Lordship, the respondent, Lordship, trying to possess the possession of the.
File proceedings. There are ways and measures.
Another petition has been filed, so it has been disposed of, Lordship.
We'll see, we will see on the next step. Yes, madam.
This is husband of the petitioner.
He was an employee of the contractor of the railways. Why was the workman compensation provisions not invoked?
He was not an employee, Lordship, of the railway.
No, of the contractor at least.
He was a laborer.
So who will now pay the compensation? There is an accident.
No.
You have not followed the security measures.
Because,
You are vicariously liable. You are the main employer. Contractor works under you.
But as per the contract agreement, Lordship, it was the responsibility of the.
He has
contractor.
not done. So you pay the compensation, recover it from the. Why should this poor man suffer? You are alive.
No, I'm.
He's
no
dead.
more.
He's no more.
The
Wife is
petitioner
before us.
Wife.
Wife is before
Wife,
us.
yes.
Yes. What would be the compensation for?
So it is contractor's liability.
Contractor's liability between you settle.
Because as per the contract agreement, Lordship, it was.
That you settle between yourself, madam, you settle. But this poor man should not be made to suffer. Clear-cut materials on record that it is your fault. You are vicariously liable. You give a work, that rail line is passing through that area. You permit him to climb that gate, which was again lifted to paint. That's the case.
My lord.
To paint. It touches the high voltage line. He suffers burn injury, he dies. Your thing. It's you.
Lordship, these laborers were engaged.
I
by
am not
the
on
contractor.
that, madam, I am not on that. I am on the question that you have assigned the work. It is your property. Something is to be, you are for the contractor. APDC. Who is for the contractor now?
Contractor-
You are appearing. Who is respondent number 6? Utpal Burman. Okay. Where is respondent number 5? You are for respondent number 5 and 6, both. Okay, we have 6. The 6 will pay. 6 and the railways. How much will you pay?
Fine.
Okay, fine. We get the respondent number 5 also. How much? How much are you claiming? Apply the
Here, the petitioner,
50 lakhs, 60
Why?
lakhs will not be possible.
wife to minor.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
We
sir.
can't go beyond that. What we provide is, what is your rate in that railway accidents compensation? What is the rate now for death?
8 lakhs, Lordship.
8 lakhs. Paid at 8 lakhs. And I'll give you liberty to approach the civil court for the rest.
Lordship, may kindly see,
Madam,
next time-
nothing to see. Nothing to see. A
And
man has died. There is a report of the Chief Inspector of Electricity clearly indicating that the fault is yours.
Lordship, contract was awarded to MS, SCC.
Whoever it is there, go file suit against him for recovery. I'll
Lordship,
provide.
this is a joint venture company and it was not made party in this litigation.
We are not concerned. We are with
They
you.
made-
Whoever, madam, I'll provide that. The railways, whatever payment they make, they'll be entitled to recover it from whoever they want. But the lady should be.
Just contractor's liability, Lordship. As per the
Railway will
contract
pay
agreement.
The railway will pay, recover from whoever is responsible. Employee, contractor, whoever. With further liberty for them to proceed with the civil suit if so. It lacks.
And it's the Annexa A lordship.
Annexa,
Annexa A page 8 of our affidavit. Which is the last paragraph, setting natures,
shall remain indemnified. So you pay, get that indemnity from him, get that money from him.
They have not included the.
Forget it. You are here before me.
Petition.
You are before me.
This is the joint venture company.
Whoever it is.
They are responsible to engage these laborers and to.
You knew about this accident?
Ensure the safety.
Okay, you knew about this accident? You as an employer knew about this accident?
We are not.
It's
employer.
the railway line. Your officers will have to know about it.
But we are not employed. These laborers were.
I am saying that you are the principal employer. He was your agent. It happened in a railway line, near a railway line. You don't know about it. Can't be. What steps did you take after that? Turn the blind eye to that. That we will not permit. 8 lakhs. I'm not pressing it. Talk to your respondents. 8 lakhs. And with liberty to the petitioner to approach the civil court for further compensation. And you give me that latest circular of the railways with regard to the work, the railway accidents compensation. When? Wednesday? Thursday. Next Thursday. Heard the parties at length. However, hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on 31/7/2024. Ms. P. Devi, R. Devi, learned counsel for learned CGC appearing for the railway respondent shall receive instructions. Ms. R. Devi and Ms. your B. Bora, learned counsel representing the railways and the respondent number 6 shall complete their instruction with regard to the manner of payment of compensation to petition. Decided compensation, but how much and how we will decide.
The contractor was equal to met party in this.
Technicalities, this court is ignoring.
So they were.
We have the railways, we have Ms. Bora, enough for us. You go and tell respondent number 5 today about this. Or we know how to get him also. We will permit the railways to recover it from him. And once we pass an order, they file a case, we know what will be the result.
Okay.
Or come up voluntarily and make the payments. We will excuse you. You have not been paid anything. Today, respondent number 7 has filed an affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
I said it. It is stated in the that the learned counsel for the respondent number 7 has filed an affidavit by the learned counsel for the respondent number 7 that an affidavit has been filed. That an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent represented by him. However, the same is not available in the records of the case. Registry to list this matter again after. Want to file a response to this after 2 weeks. Along with the said affidavit stated to have been filed by the respondent number 7. The learned counsel for the petitioner is granted liberty to file a rejoinder thereto in the meanwhile before the next date of listing. Registry shall list those matters immediately after 2 weeks from today. Who is appearing for respondent number 7? You are appearing. So
There is a problem between 3 and 4, because we have filed Gotama.
there. But you have also filed an affidavit now. Affidavit has been filed by
Now,
whom?
what has happened, Your Lordship, there are two groups, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Now, I represent one group who claims to be respondent number
But
10,
there,
and
We will hear both of you as respondent number 3.
Apply. What's over?
Yes.
Respondent number 5 by
No need. You have filed. Somebody has filed. What can we do? We'll have to remand back the matter. Give you a proper hearing
Yes,
and
yes.
thereafter eviction.
Yes.
That much.
Yes, it is. That's not only.
Don't. Enough. I've not said anything adverse to you, so don't get
Yes.
all your senior. How much is pending?
2023 Lordship, the petitioner applied for in Botandara portal, converted to Medivatta Lordship. But same has been rejected, the stating that the no allotment was submitted. Lordship. Item 20.
20.
Lordship.
No, this is something, Vinod Kumar Agarwal.
No, Lordship.
Yours is something else. That is 22. Yours is 22.
Sorry.
20. 20 material. Relax. What happened? 2 lakhs pending. You have paid the rest. You admit that 2 lakhs. Okay. When will you pay it?
Your Lordship, regarding this, we filed in AO where as per serial number 4, a preliminary objection has been raised regarding the writ petition. Citing non-joint.
Preliminary objection rejected. Let us come to the meat of the matter. He claims 10 lakhs. You say that you have already paid him in one contract full 1 lakh something and in the other one around 7 lakhs. So around 2,78,000 is pending.
Yes, sir.
We dispose of the writ petition by directing you to make the payment within a period of 3 months from today. If not, it will carry an amount of interest of rupees 6% per annum till after 6 months till the amount is paid. Right? Dispose it of. None appears for the petition on top. Technically, all of become Miss, your name?
CA.
A?
PCA.
P?
CA.
CA. Just write down here. Appearing for the respondents?
Respondent number 4.
Appearing for the respondent number? 4. 1 to 4.
2 to
40.
5.
Who is your senior?
Arindas.
RMS. For the respondents, number 2 to 5. Sir, report likhiba. Heard Mr. J. Handy, Learned Counsel, appearing for the Learned Government Advocate, appearing for the state, for the respondent number 1. Huh? 2 to 5, madam. All, it will move on. We will let dispose them. Yes.
The Lordship, the petitioner applied in the Bosandra portal. Lordship.
It is 21.
Lordship.
You are 22.
21 Lordship. Ibrahim Ali. On.
Okay. What is the information now remain to be given to you?
The Lordship, case Lordship, my a petitioner applied in the Bosandra portal. Lordship. From periodic factor to Medivatta Lordship. But the same has been rejected. Only the no allotment certificate submitted. The petitioner in online portal Lordship have submitted all the documents. Lordship. That is 51 Lordship.
Page 61 is the affidavit, part of the affidavit.
Lordship.
They say, page 60, they say that in terms of the land verification, field verification,
Right.
you are having possession of a deal.
Yes.
But they say there is no record of allotment made in your favor. What is your response to that?
The Lordship, I filed the reply in affidavit. Lordship.
Okay, what is the stand there?
Paragraph 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Where is this land allotment certificate? 21/12/84. It is in the writ petition.
The look at the page
Yes.
15 look at the allotment look. Particular look. Page 15 and 17 look.
Read the vernacular one. প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হয়েছে
প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হয়েছে দিনমজুর সালাঘাটি রিজার্ভার 1983-84 সনের ন্যূনতম চাহিদা আসনের পরিবর্তনের পুত্র ইব্রাহিম আলী আখন্দ 1 বিঘা মাটি আবন্টন দেওয়া হল দিনমজুর 122 নম্বর।
Who has issued this? Who has issued this? So if that be so, if he was allotted a land, 1 bigger land, why it is not 3 years is already over from there? So why is the patta not being given to him?
Page 13 রসিদ
Hmm.
কলম গ উপায়ুক্ত মহিউদ্দর LRS FI1 অবলিক 84 অবলিক
তারিখৰ হুকুম মতে, হা? মৌজাৰ,
সিটার তারিখের
তারিখের কথা।
মতে
this is a sita.
সিটাল 20 persons are allotted.
Where is your name?
There is name is not mentioned, only 20%.
That is that DAG number 37 to 38 subsequently. Yes, Mr.
Okay, let me take instruction regarding.
But in affidavit, you have not even dealt with all this. You say that he is in possession. No allotment record. 122 is not the DAG. He says the DAG now is 39 to 58, that 20%. It will be one of them between them.
After Malaket,
Sita, his name is not there, but 20 persons are referred to. He says he's one of them. There is a certificate given by the SDOC that 1 bigha was given to him. You have not dealt, you in the affidavit only you say that he is there in possession, but no record. When will you get that? Next week? Or you have it on 6th?
after Lordship, can it be after 15 Lordship?
You'll not be here.
No, and maybe Malaket, it must be Malaket, some busy in some other work.
No? Busy.
So can it be?
Let it be on 6th. You get that instruction. Or we'll have the deputy commission.
On 8th Lordship.
8th. Okay. Mr. Pursar. And I heard Mr. N. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also Mr. J. Hendik, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondents number. Learned counsel appearing for all the respondents.
One of my learned pen is okay on behalf of.
Also heard Mr. A. Bhattaji, learned counsel, learned counsel appearing, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management, appearing for
I'm
the
at 2 and 4.
response number 1, and Mr. J. Hendik, learned counsel, learned government advocate, appearing for the response number 2 and 3. So, Mr. In view of the submissions, in view of the averments made by the petitioner in the affidavit in reply filed by him, and it being categorically stated that he was allotted 1 bigha of land, comma, by the respondent authorities, comma, Mr. Hendik submits the praise that he be granted time till 8/8/2028-25 to receive, to complete his instructions in the matter. Post prayer accepted. Registered to list this matter again on 8/8/2025 for admission here. Mr. Just see what can be done, because there seems to be something.
In item 20, my lord, as strong as action one,
Item number 20, लिख दिया नाम. Your name?
DKJ.
DKJ. Only 2 lakhs you are going left according to the affidavit.
Yes,
I'll direct them to pay that to you within a period of 3 months, 6 months, whatever.
okay.
Agreed to that? 22. Yes, what documents are left?
In the affidavit, the filings, page small 76. No.
Hmm.
Where that indicated in the sub-para 1,
Hmm.
indicated
Hmm.
that instead of cash book, copies of the bank account, they could not able to furnish the.
It's not. What happened to the cash book? Who is to furnish?
Very much necessary.
You have to furnish.
Yes.
What happened to the cash book?
The case books are the very voluminous, so
Voluminous, give him, he'll Xerox it.
so if he is willing to do.
You're
it, so-
not required to give him free of cost.
Yes, if he is.
When will you give him that?
Whatever you want.
Only that much is required.
Well, they indicated, apart from that one.
Mr. Goswami, what are the documents left to be given to you? Only cash book.
Cash book,
Ah.
as well as the serial number 5,
Ah.
they indicate themselves, even though the information could not be provided. to the
Even what is
employees
that
also,
serial
by
number
equally
5?
provided.
What is that serial number 5? There is an order from the State Information Commission. Give him the orders. You're for the information. And now there is delay. 250 rupees per day. 25 rupees per day.
We have made.
Ah. So pay him 25,000.
No, see, here, it just been mentioned about how the delay is.
We are not
Come in
concerned.
in our affidavit.
25,000 to accompany the information documents.
No, no.
He will use that 25,000 to make these Xeroxes.
Because if he is.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I'm the, I'm JDA respondent number.
Oh, you say that you were, there was a miscommunication, misinterpretation. Not accepted. So 250 per day for first 100 days. Thereafter, nothing. Only this much, to 25,000 only.
Disciplinary proceeding if he subsequently violates the.
Okay, now he will not go for discipline proceeding.
already
We'll
retired.
25,000. He's already retired.
Already assumed, sir. So subsequently, as per information, he again assumed, sir.
How? After retirement?
Development.
After retirement.
As I don't know, most probably it's a post.
Okay. What is serial number 5? Page 23.
Page 76 of the affidavit.
No. Serial number 5. What is that information?
Exactly. It is indicated in the page 82, there is a communication. They are the interdepartmental.
You come to page 23. Is that the
No.
Is the RD application. Number 5 would be the question.
question? That is the question, page 23.
The subsequent.
Read that. বৰ্তমানৰ সভাপতিজনৰ কাৰ্যকালত read that. কোন ব্যক্তি
ব্যৱসায়িক
গুদামৰ বাবে নিৰ পতন দিয়ে।
যদি বিশেষ পাইকাৰী ব্যৱসায়ী নাম উল্লেখ কৰাৰ লগতে সেইসকলে কি কি পাইকাৰী সামগ্ৰী ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে তাৰ
পাইকাৰী সামগ্ৰী ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে তথ্য দিয়ে। Yes,
So in.
cash book you are giving. These are the 2 only left.
No, additional affidavit, let's see the additional affidavit, page 97.
97.
So these are the person and they have been running the.
Oh, he has for Godown. He is asking for Godown.
Godown is there.
বৰ্তমান সভাপতিজনে কাৰ্যকালত কোন ব্যক্তি ব্যৱসায় গুদাম বাবে ভূমি আবণ্টন দিছে নেকি? That's all. If you have not given, right, no. If given, give the list. That's all. When are you giving it, Mr. Chetri?
So which time have we done?
No, give me a date. He'll appear before you. Whatever cost he will bear, you give it. We can close this repetition with that direction? Not close. Okay, we'll not close. Yes.
Yes.
When, give me a date. Give me a date. It's all open. You give me a date whenever it's convenient to you. But on that day, if you don't give, in addition to the cost under the RTA Act, we will impose cost.
Then what's it make around 4 to 5th August?
5th. Let it be on 11th August. Mr. P.K. UK Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chetri, Learned Counsel, appearing for the
Number 5 and 6.
for the respond number 5 and 6. Also, also heard Mr. D. Decker, Learned Counsel, representing the respond number 4. Also, you are paying?
Yes.
For? What is name? G. Bokulia, Learned Government Advocate. Government Advocate appears for the respond number 1, 2, 3. Miladi by Hekul. Also, Mr. UK Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that in response to the RTA application submitted by him on 9/8/2022, he is yet to be furnished information pertaining to the question, pertaining to the information sought at serial number 1 and serial number 5 therein. Also, the information as required by the petitioner at serial number 1 pertains to furnishing to him copies of the cash book pertaining pertains to the furnishing to him the copies of the cash book relating to deposit of cash under different heads of the Jorhat Development Authority during the period 1/1/2019 to 9/8/2022, whereas while the information sought under serial number 5 pertains to the names of the businessman oblique persons allotted land for use as godown during the term of the incumbent, of the deed and incumbent in the during the term of the incumbent in the post of chairman of the Jorhat Development Authority. Mr. A. Chetri, Learned Counsel, appearing for the Jorhat Development Authority, submits that the petitioner shall be furnished with the said information on 11/8/2025 on his appearing before the Public Information Officer, Jorhat Developmental Authority. So, Mr. Chetri has submitted that the said information has submitted that the cash books, copies of the cash books were not furnished to the petitioner in as much as the same were voluminous in nature. So, Mr. Goswami submits that he would make the requisite payments for the copies so served to him, and accordingly, the expenses therein need not be borne in the matter by the Jorhat Development Authority. So, accordingly, in view of the said consensus arrived at between the parties, the petitioner is directed to approach the Public Information Officer, Jorhat Development Authority, for the information sought for him under serial number 1 and serial number 5 of his RTI application dated 9/8/2022. So, on such approach being made, the petitioner shall be furnished after due payment the requisite copies of the documents which has been sought for by him, along with the informations involved. So, raised it to list this matter again on 18/8/2025. So, on the next date of listing, the parties to the proceeding shall apprise this court about the developments taking in place after passing of the present order.
Mr. Lordship, on behalf of Mr. T. Sharma, kindly pass over the matter for the day.
Time being,
Pass over for the day, Lordship.
why?
He's having some personal difficulties today.
When do you want it? Tomorrow?
Take on.
Huh?
As per the convenience of the court.
Not tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow, so I have a couple of matters. Next.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. D. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Mr. K.M. Kolita. Should be rightly full A.M. Kolita, sorry. Anjan Moni Kolita.
Let it be shorter, let's.
A.M. Kolita, Learned Council, Learned Standing Council, Industries and Commerce Department, Industries and Commerce Department is present. Also, raised to list this matter on Pundina Parikh 5/8/2025 for further hearing.
Please.
But Chief, today I have filed the affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 910.
That is that separate society, second society.
Yes, yes.
But the materials brought on record are against you by the authorities.
But
They have been permitted to park 2 vehicles. That bus stand, they use the word syndicate, I'm not using. But the bus stand, that's said to be illegal. Once it was evicted, now again.
it was not evicted, my lord, and my lord, actually, there, that particular area, my lord, which has been termed as a bus stand, that has been handed over to a lessee, my lord, by a tender process. My lord. And
And-
all the, yes, my lord.
What is your stand then?
My lord, my stand is that, my lord, earlier, my lord, I have taken, my lord, I have a business relationship with that petitioner association. Because, my lord,
You're running a counter there.
I am not running, my respondent number 9 is not running, respondent number 10 is running a counter. Earlier, my lord, the respondent number 9 has taken the assistance of having business relationship with the petitioners. Thereafter, my lord, in 2023, my lord, business ties were just cancelled.
Okay,
And we
we'll
have-
have, Mr. Barbuya, what is your grievance left now?
My lord, our grievance is that, my lord, we have been allowed to park 2 vehicles, not in a particular slot, my lord, in a particular area.
You or they?
No, we. Now, my lord, as a result, when we are doing the seat business for the facilities of the, my lord, commuters, now suddenly, my lord, they are, my lord, using the said area, my lord, as a, by usurping the area, my lord, they are now transferring their whole business to the said area, my lord, without any authority and without any permission from
The government
authority.
stand,
My
the
lord,
affidavit,
my lord,
says that once they had evicted this people.
my lord.
Now, they say there is an inquiry. What happened to that inquiry?
That inquiry is not, my lord, not yet culminated, my lord, as per our instruction.
Who is appearing for the,
My lord.
it will be by the
District.
district administration.
My lord.
My lord, that affidavit, my lord, I have not confirmed.
You have not seen.
I have not seen it.
Okay, this is an affidavit filed by respondent number 8,
Okay, yes.
Chairman Bokaghat Municipal Board.
My
And there is another affidavit also. Who is appearing for the respondent number 8?
Respondent, my lord, last time, you Sharma appeared, my lord, Chairman Bukagat Municipal Board.
You are for 9, 10 and 11.
9, 10 and 11. And our stand is that nothing has been earmarked to any of the associations, my lord.
Okay,
The entire area has been, my lord,
okay. Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel for the respondent, representing the respondent number 9, 10 and 11 submits that an affidavit on behalf of the said respondents has been filed today. You have given a copy
My lord, today we have received and we will file a rejoinder, my lord.
Also. in view of the above. Also, Mr. A.R. Bhia, Learned Counsel for the petition submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents number 9, 10 and 11. Also, the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 8 shall ensure that before the next date of listing, a copy of the affidavit filed by it is also served upon Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Also, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks. Also, parties to complete their pleadings in the meanwhile.
Look, regarding the inquiry, my lord, if the status come before my lord.
Let us see what his affidavit is.
published.
You also have that instruction.
My lord.
So I can make a question, if I allocate to me lawsuit, some reasons I will be not appearing this matter, so lawsuit me any other reasons.
We'll sit.
Lawsuit,
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, we'll not bring him,
lawsuit.
Mr. Not embarrass him. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, raised it to list this matter again on 11/8/2025.
Lawsuit.
But this is
Lawsuit.
getting serious now.
Lawsuit.
Whoever it is, let him come with complete instructions.
Lawsuit. Yeah, I have gone through it also, lawsuit.
There is no agreement. There was no provision for an agreement in the tender.
Then lawsuit, the.
He has spent money, built a house,
There is a.
some negotiation, something.
Dispute is there, even I have gone for the reply also, lawsuit, the electricity bill or something was paid, that part is there, lawsuit.
And they are using that building like a government building. They are putting in the security staff there.
Well, that part, my colleague will address, lawsuit, will explain.
At this stage, I'm paying for, let them package my building, at least my daughter.
Give me one more day. We'll pass the order. Why pass that? We'll pass the final. I was ready for the final orders today.
Oblige, lawsuit.
Oblige, please.
Mr. Das, what are you waiting for? 40? Dear. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, can you get somebody from his chamber? Because there is an office note in that first case. I'll just, you don't want Mr.
Initial
detain
order,
Mr. Das.
the initial order, my line of was directed to produce the record on the next date. Till now, they have not produced the record. If the record is produced and the record is produced by your lordship is satisfied that the constitution of the.
Mr. Das, you need not wait. Please inform the concerned councils. 2 o'clock, you are here? 2 o'clock, we'll take it up. You need not wait.
Public.
No.
Okay, your lordship. In this case, I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3.
When?
3.
Who is appearing for 4? You have not filed any counter? Huh?
I may be allowed to file that.
Same prayer, value.
Brother, sister dispute. Who is appearing for the municipal board? You are appearing. You don't make any inquiries. The initial thing was supported by a general power of attorney and NOC. Subsequently, something happened. Whether that initial thing was proper or not, have you not made any inquiries to that?
So the lordship need to take instruction.
That's the only thing. Your name?
As Musahari, madam.
Heard Miss S. Musahari, learned counsel appearing for the respond number 2 and 3, and Miss K. Malakar, learned counsel appearing for the respond number 4.
Date may be fixed.
Submits that they be granted 3 weeks' time to bring on record their stand of the respondents represented by them by way of filing an affidavit. Also, Miss A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, expresses urgency in demand. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks. List this matter again on page 30. On 18/8/2025. Full stop. The respondents shall bring on record their stand invariably before the next date of listing of the matter. Stand by way of filing an affidavit before the next date of listing.
Instruction has been received, my lord. Affidavit is agreed.
Want to file an affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Miss Das.
Yes.
J. Paul, Miss Paul.
Yes. Annexure 1, page 17, lordship.
What is your stand?
Like, it's admitted fact that she has been allotted the land.
Then you have taken over the land now.
No, my lord, that is not clear. That's why also, my lord, there are around 372 bigas.
Hmm.
On 372, 30 bigas has been taken for construction and ministerial. Now, whether that 1 biga has fallen into 30 biga or not, my lord, that is
That
not,
is what you have to say. She says it falls.
that is not clear in my instance.
That cannot be. That is the only thing
That-
you have to say.
That is the.
Further allegation is for Zirat.
Jirat's, that is.
She
nothing
has
is-
prepared for her stand. For Zirat, there is standing crops, valuable crops.
19 has been allotted and she has saw that there is a
Big.
valuable, big sum not
That
gone.
means were there that she inherited. So at least that land, some compensation is
Yes, yes.
required because it's her land. When?
Further 2 weeks. For this.
I heard Ms. J. Paul, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. M. Das, learned
State conference.
state learned government advocate appearing for the respondents number
3, 4.
3 and 4. Mr. Das submits that he be granted further 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, it is directed that also registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks. Also, before the next date of listing, the respondent number 3 and 4 shall invariably bring on record their stand by way of filing in affidavit. 28 to 33. They have not filed an affidavit till now.
Yeah, respondent number five has filed it
In which case?
in 6, 7, in 28.
Huh?
28, item number 5.
28. But 28 of files. They have admitted the amount.
No, my lord, they have stated that I should not, my lord, cost of disease said that should be excluded from the bill. That is their.
Where is that? Where is that?
That is
Oh,
page
yeah,
133 Annex A. That letter was issued on 1/7/2020 to the executive engineer. And the work order was,
Where is the work order?
Mine.
Work order agreement, anything entered into for this purpose?
work order, my lord, page 45. That was on 18/5/2023.
18.5.
18. And subsequently, this letter has been issued
22.
23. 18/5/2023 is the work order. And this letter has been issued on 1/7/2023 by the chief engineer to the executive. We're not aware about.
No, I did not get it. What is the, you gave a DG set.
My lord, we installed the busy set as per the contract.
No, where is that provision for supply of a DG set in the?
My lord, that is in my lord. Sanction.
No, this work order,
In
you
work
have been
order,
given a work order.
in technical section letter, my lord, that is it.
No, whether it is there in the tender.
The tender, it is not only busy set, but entire work, my.
No, there will be components.
That is.
Where is that component
is-
with pertaining to DG set?
That is only in the text.
Technical sanction, what is, how does it concern you? If you have not been given allotted that work, you bring in something, why should they pay for that?
That is not included in the offer.
Show me some document to show that this was there in the tender. It was there in the agreement and it was a part of the work allotted to it. Madam, what is your stand?
Affidavit has been filed and one affidavit covers all the. six
Okay, fine.
sections.
In all the cases, it is DG set
Yes.
and that was
That is
not
totally-
allotted with. Satisfy me.
But in the work order, my lord, it is not nice.
If it is not there in the work order, if it is in the technical sanction, is for the authorities, not for you.
That is correct.
It is on the basis of the technical sanction, they will issue the advertisement. If they have excluded
Yes,
that,
yes.
how can you on your own go and
Now
support?
that.
Take it back. Take it, give it back to him.
Now that exclusion, my lord, can it be?
Yes.
And after.
You challenge that in a particular provision. It's disputed now. We can't go before the civil court, get your remedy. I can't. When it is disputed, this court hands off.
Now they have, my lord, permitted their inspection report is there also.
I'm not on that. Show me from the tender or from anything
Right.
that this was also included in your scope of work. That's all.
It is technical thing. May get some time, my lord, because it is not defense. Technical thing.
When was the tenders issued here?
They are on my lord tender. And work order is there, my lord, 18/5, not
Work order is of
18/5/2020.
18/5/2023. So when was the tender?
Under this scheme of tender.
So they say that the decision was of 1/7/2023.
That was communicated.
Okay, okay. Subsequent to the issuance.
Subsequent to the work-
So from the work order, that this was also one of the components.
Work order, it is not specific.
Then where is the work order?
Case 45.
40?
5.
You have signed an agreement after this. What is there in the
That
agreement?
Agreement by the having.
Get one copy of the agreement. And is there a provision for arbitration in that agreement?
That you should get my-
There will be. So if there is a dispute, go for arbitration. In this matters, we can only come in when Mian Bibi is Raji.
That
Then
is
only
correct.
the Kaji can act.
That is correct,
Otherwise, we can't.
but
Not payment of bills.
that provision, my lord, that is a thing. and
Okay.
that exclusion.
But
And for.
and hoc learned counsel for the petitioner. And Madam M. Kolita, learned standing counsel, PHC department, appearing for the respond number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Also, Mr. N. Hock submits that heard the parties happening. Mr. N. Hock, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he be granted a week's time to place on record further materials in support of his submissions. Full stop. Prayer allowed. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 7/8/2025 for further hearing. 28 to 33. If you can't give me, we'll have to reject your. And you also just take, your decision was of July.
That is.
His work order, that means it is prior to the work, it is after the work order was. So whether that scope of work as it stood then, there was also a provision for supply of a DG set. Right? If it was there, then you will have to pay. You will have to pay. So the next day, apprise us of
That letter was not communicated to us.
It need not be. That is for them to show. But let them come to on record with that.
Right.
Hmm.
This is basically, I am against an order of eviction.
Mr. Das, last
Yes.
time this matter was remanded back at the instance of the respondent. They were supposed to make an inquiry. Admittedly, no inquiry was made.
Yes.
So
Hearing, no inquiry, nothing.
nothing.
No
So what
schedule
we
of the
can
land
do
of-
is, is there any notice issued to you for eviction?
No.
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 We
Very
can
good.
say that no eviction,
Eviction.
you can, eviction already done.
Not done. No. Second issue for eviction, madam.
No, there is one.
We will interfere with that notice.
Yes.
We will ask the competent, whoever the authority is, to strictly comply with the directions passed in WPC number
WPC
3493/2016. Here you, give you an opportunity for submission of all your documents. The only thing is whether you are blocking the PWD
No,
road.
that is an admitted factual position that
That
there
you are
was no
not.
blocking.
That Lat Mandal's report here.
Yes.
Go with that
And
before
it
the
is
authorities.
It is the stand of, apart from, what has been fallen from your lawsuit. The respondent number 5, he came before this honorable court with a false plea. It was never the case of the government that government wants that. It's a small piece of land by the side of the road. I have given the photographs also. Lots of will be shocked that government is keen to take that portion of the
I
land.
have seen that photographs. Thereafter, I made my mind that
Exactly.
this is a case which the authorities have to reconsider. That's all.
That's why, Miller. What the private respondent has done, Miller, he set to motion a proceeding which was never intended by the government, making false statement before the court that I was, Miller, ingress and ingress was blocked. No, that was never the case.
Which is not. You are for the respondent number
Yes,
5.
madam. Private
It
estate.
was absolutely, Miller.
So your complete is blocked.
Not completely, madam, partially, madam. On top of my personal land, madam.
Okay, where is that photograph?
My lord, in the affidavit in reply,
Page 41. Okay, Mr. Counsel, if you can come to that structure,
yes,
at least what we can see from here.
this white color house is the neighborhood.
Come to page 54.
But this is affidavit says they are illegally acquiring the.
Oh. Fine. If it's illegally approaching, that the receipt take. But I'm on the plea of the respondent number 5. Respondent number 5, Mr. Das.
Yes, respondent number 5.
You come to page 54. Have you got it? So just check the last portion of the house. There are 2 boulders there. Just front of the bike.
Yes, madam.
Huh? This tin barrier is yours? This tin,
Tin barrier.
that barricade there, is it yours?
No, madam. No.
Then who has put this barricade? It is his next house is his
Yes.
next
Yes.
property.
That's
Yes.
what is my.
Who has put this barricade here? It is your barricade. So how can you now say that the petitioner is blocking your house? Because that road till it is beyond the final area where the
Yes, madam.
property ends. So the road that is there is all open for you.
Otherwise, madam.
Huh? Clear-cut photo that it's abutting to the road. Your that property
Page 55, madam.
54, 55. It is more clear.
Yes, sir.
See, if he is objecting, if this house was beyond the barricade, we would have understood that your road is blocked. But here it is,
Building is mine, madam.
it's inside, not outside. So where is that plea is false. So you
So,
have
my lord-
raised a you accept this photographs,
Yes, my lord.
huh? You accept this photograph? Then we'll have to impose cost on.
No, I have to take instruction, my lord, Your Honor.
We'll have to impose cost. Why was this aspect not pointed out at any point of time?
Power was filed in the earlier round of litigation, but the council did not appear at the time of.
Am I correct in saying so that even if we hold that you have there put it on illegally on a common land, his only plea is that his ingress and egress is blocked.
Exactly. That was
But here, his ingress and egress is only to a road which is there, a narrow road.
Yes.
And that is again, that boundary
Yes.
extends beyond your wall.
Yes. This White House,
Hmm.
your ex-Ali house.
That is inside.
Yes, that is
The-
inside.
This is the road.
Yes,
The boundary comes beyond your area.
yes. So we are operating
Huh?
only on this.
So it is quite clear.
His road is not blocked. So if your road is not blocked, the government never had an occasion, because this house at least is not being used for, and if it is being used for any, like you say, in your counter, that it's being used for drinking, gambling, report to the police. Put Mr. Das inside.
I will take it.
But this plea will not work. Now it's a question of cost.
I will take instruction.
The heard Mr. H.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr.
M. Shakir.
M. Setia. Setia?
Yes.
Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 5. Also, Mr. Chetia had submitted that the petitioner was forced to approach this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 3493/2016, inter alia, on the ground that the petitioner, by illegally constructing a house, had obstructed they obstructed the ingress and egress to his plot of land. This is your case, Mr. Chitla. Also, the said submission was countered by Mr. H.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the photographs of the site brought on record along with the affidavit in reply filed in the matter. Also, a perusal of the affidavit goes to reveal that the house constructed by the petitioner herein in no way obstructs the ingress and egress to the residence of the petitioner, and he continues to have the same nature of right of way as was available to him before the house was so constructed by the petitioner herein. Also, in view of the above position, Mr. Chetty submits that he be granted 10 days time to receive instructions in the matter from the respondent number 5. Also, accordingly, a registry to list this matter on 5/8/2025 for further hearing.
There is an interim order, my lord, there was an interim order that
The interim order passed earlier to continue till the next schedule. Mr. Chetia, only on that illegal, that is for the government. But you have approached this court by way of a misrepresentation. That we will. Mr. Endas, Learned Government Advocate, is present for the state respondents. You also are there. A. Vansaji. Dono ka likh denge. A. Vansaji. Learned Standing Council. Your respondent number 1. Uska argument. Learned Standing Council, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, and Mr. Endas, Learned Government Advocate, are present for their respective respondents.
much appreciated.
Where is the one? So, ah,
What should they do with this? One is I appear as for the company,
the cement company was 35. Basically, it relates to a cement factory in Dimahasao. We came to your lordship because after we got possession, there were some local miscreants creating disruptions. The
They
local
cancelled
police-
your.
Yes, no, lordship. They were creating disturbances and the police was not registering our FIR. So we came to your lordship and there's an interim order protecting us and that continues. That's my writ petition. Meanwhile, there was another writ petition filed by
Repetition
alleged people who
That
apparently
is by you.
their cases, they are affected by the land that is allotted to us. A part of it also belongs to them. But their prayer is, please clarify whether or not. Dr. May kindly take a look at the prayer in their writ petition.
467.
467, yes, Your Honor. Item number 34. And the prayer is at page 29. So there's 3,000 bighas that's allotted to us to set up the plant. And their prayer is Roman
Oh.
2, page 29.
How can you don't know where your land is,
Lordship, it is a non-cadastral land. Lord.
but
So
you are in
therefore-
possession of your land.
We were in possession.
Have you been evicted?
Yes, Lordship. We have
When?
been-
Where is your statement to them?
That is not their
Lordship,
statement.
yeah.
The statement is,
Ms. Kusami, got your point? Let me see. If you don't know where your land is, why are you behind it?
Lordship, we are there. We are.
You have a land,
Yes.
it is,
are
maybe
being
there is a
held under
temporary something,
No,
boundary,
No, Lordship.
or you know that this is my land.
Yes.
I calculate, village people, they know where their land is.
Yes, Lordship.
This is land of X, this is land of Y, this is my uncle's land. So that area land
Yes, Lordship.
is in your possession.
Lordship.
When were you dispossessed?
We were dispossessed last year, Lordship.
Where have you said? Is there a statement to that effect, Ms. Kusami? That they were dispossessed from the land?
Lordship, no. What they say
Lordship,
is,
when the matter was
Lordship, we
filed.
kindly
in
turn
December,
to their
Lordship,
affidavit,
at that
paragraph
time-
10. Affidavit in reply in writ petition 467. There's one line where they say, Lordship, paragraph 5, the line before paragraph 5, page
In
108.
the reply.
Page 108. The Lordship has asked if there is any averment. This is the only averment,
108.
108. It's the last sentence before paragraph 5. I'll read the whole paragraph. The reservation to file, Lordship has that. The reservation to file a detailed affidavit is an attempt to withhold critical information, undermining the court's directive for transparency and delaying justice for the petitioners whose farmlands have already been affected by illegal earth cutting. This is one averment. This is the only averment I have found. The other averments are all paragraph 9, Your Lordship, where they say we do not know. Paragraph 9, 111. And this averment is repeated. May I read paragraph 9, Your Lordship? That the deponent begs to leave of this court to reiterate issues overlooked in the affidavit in opposition by respondents which are critical to the adjudication of this petition. It is therefore stated that despite Honorable Court's order so-and-so, the respondent has not produced survey maps, boundary details of 3,000 bighas of land allotted to respondent number 7, which is, I appear for the company. Without such documentation, the petitioners cannot determine which petitioners or how much of their lands are affected, especially in a non-cadastral area where formal record is absent. So they are not clear. So their one averment is actually contradictory with this. And Lordship has counsel's affidavit.
How are the lands allotted in your area?
Lordship, it is allotted by the council to the Gambura.
To the Gambura?
Yes, Lordship. it is
Allotments
traditional
are made
lands.
individual names, family names, community, what?
Family names, family
Family
name, head of the family.
So this land which is there,
Yes, Lord.
at least we know that this is the area
Yes, Lord.
which has been allotted to us.
Yes.
Was any allotment made in your favor in that area at any point of time?
Lordship, we pay tax called a house tax, Lordship, to the Gambura.
So
And-
you have a
yes.
house there,
Yes, Lordship.
huh?
Yes.
Was that house dismantled at any?
Sorry?
Dismantled at any point of time
No, no.
for this?
No.
Then how do we come?
It was not cancelled or anything like that. Simply the land.
No,
was-
no, no. When Ms. Goswami, she went there like a bully, took over your lands.
Something like that.
demolished the houses. When was that house demolished?
The houses were not demolished, but our farmlands were demolished, Lordship. Right now, we are
So,
farmers, we cannot.
Show me
farm our
that
land.
you were farming in that land.
Yes, sir.
Where is your statement?
We have photos, Lordship. I have given some photos.
Is there any statement that they will?
Council has filed an affidavit.
Ah.
Because your lordship put to the council to give the status of
Ah.
demarcation. The council actually is in the best position to.
Who is
answer
there?
this.
Yes, yes, sir. Someone.
And there's only one, lordship has page 101 in writ petition 467.
Hmm.
467, page 101. I hope this.
Council Khasland.
Yes, they say till date, not a single affected person of the aforesaid village has approached the council for any compensation on the ground that his properties are affected in the project concern.
So why are you before us, Mr. Kathar?
We have
You
already,
should go before the authorities.
we have already gone, Lordship. We have already given a complaint on 16/5/2024, Lordship.
Hmm.
That is why I gave this affidavit also, Lordship.
Who gave
Yes.
this complaint? Show me.
Lordship.
And why was this not there in your affidavit? In the first affidavit?
In the first, because it's still in the petition, Lordship, therefore, last time when they.
Okay,
denied
it's
it-
there in the writ petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that annexure?
Annexure, Lordship, this is annex page. Annexure 3, page 39, Lordship.
So this is in the nature of a public interest litigation. Your this
Lordship, some of the petitioners
background
are
for a
also
public
signatories.
interest litigation.
Some
Was
of-
a public interest
Yes, there
litigation
was,
filed?
there was. That
Yes,
is-
I
Lordship, it was
remember.
filed,
What happened?
Yes, now, this complaint, lordship, my understanding is, they're also not clear, so even I'm not clear where they are situated. Initially, in that Garampani lane, 23 kilometers to 26 kilometers were allotted to us. That was a subject matter of the PIL, which happened before, and this letter is of complaint against that particular allotment. When the PIL was pending, the council came and said, we have changed the allotment, we've abandoned that area, we are now giving another area which was allotted for industrial purposes, which is 26 to 29, which is a subject matter now where we are now there. So
Lordship,
this
we-
I
complaint
remember.
is
Maybe I was there in the
pertinent.
bench. I was there in the bench, division
Yes,
bench.
your lordship is correct, the
with
order is
liberty, we
there.
had withdrawn and then we had filed as a petition
So,
direct.
This is a general, this is the only complaint you have made.
Thereafter, we have, no, yes, Lordship.
Ah,
That
this
was
is-
the
this
only
is-
complaint.
This is a writ petition. What is your locus here?
Lordship.
Your own land.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the petition? Your allotment is now from
26 to 29.
Mr. Kathar. This writ petition will not like
Lordship, we are.
come to the para two.
We are in 26.
Yes, yes, prior to.
Come to para two. If Ms. Goswami's statement is correct, that the allotment is from 26 to 28, who are residents of 23 to 26, that is the PI.
We are in 26, Lordship. Nobody Longpukra is 26, Lordship.
26 is overlapping
Therefore,
is what they are saying.
Therefore.
Show me,
council has
show
also-
me, show me. Now that you say you are in 26, identify the area, at least where you are staying. Any statement here?
Yes, Lordship.
We'll have it on a hearing day.
Second para.
We'll have it on a hearing day.
Standards, we don't want to displace anybody, but they must be there to be displaced.
No, if they are there,
And lordship, it is.
then
for council
the
really.
land can only be acquired under the 2039.
Yes.
So that's only thing I want to be satisfied.
The
If
council
Mr.
is-
Kathar is there, and Mr. Kathar,
Yes, Lord.
you will have to show me your individual grievance here.
Yes,
It cannot be a general grievance.
yes,
That is only for permissible in a PI.
yes, Lord.
So just identify that,
Yes.
yes, you are the persons within that area allotted to Ms. Goswami. Then we can ask the council to examine.
Yes, Lord.
Otherwise, we'll have to dismiss your petition.
With lordship, just to clarify, the demarcation is going on, so it's not final yet. So
Let
what
it
can
be-
happen is we can exclude that area and go somewhere else also, for the council to do. But they must establish.
But
that-
you take up the matter with the council.
Yes,
that this
that
is the
that
land.
point, Yes,
Yes, Lordship.
We are dead. Let the council take a call, say
yes.
another 10 bigas has to be left out here. The petitioner can be given 10 bigas if that is
Yes.
from another area.
Yes, Lord.
Nothing,
Lordship, there is a order from.
because the stand of the council in the affidavit is, this is district council khas land. Khas
Yes.
land means government land.
Yes, Lord. But then we have rights, Lordship, because we are paying tax, Lordship, and then it is going.
What do you say on
the
this,
tax
Mr.
receipt,
Sharma?
Lord.
This concept of tax?
It is under the ALR.
The land which is now given to Ms. Goswami was earlier given to a village. Okay, we'll consider. You have these things cleared up. Okay, when, Ms. Goswami, when, Mr. Katan?
Lordship, within 2 weeks.
Would 12 be fine?
But Lordship,
Well,
the demarcation which is still ongoing, it should be completed, then only.
We are not, we are in season of the matter. Let them do whatever they want. If you can satisfy me that yes, this is my land,
Yes.
which is now being taken away.
Yes.
Only thing I got to do is the land has to be given because it's a decision of the council. You will have to be compensated under that
Lordship.
2039. That's all.
Yes, Lordship.
If its land is given, taken over, what difference does it make? Only thing you got to establish your right.
Lordship,
That's
that,
what-
that I'll be able to do, but we are not very sure which parts they have taken over. That is why that demarcation. issue-
That is why I'm saying, I'm finding it difficult. I'm only able to look it from your point of view,
Yes,
that this is my land taken away. Make that statement, we will understand.
Yes.
But if you make a statement that I don't know which land, whether my land is taken or not,
yes,
then you don't have a case. You
Yes.
don't have an apprehension, you can't have a grievance.
among the petitioners.
You don't have a cause of action to approach this court.
Yes, Lordship, among the petitioners also, because Lordship has also.
I
mentioned
understood,
that-
understood your problem,
Because
but try to
Yes, Lord.
narrow it down.
Yes, I'll try to do that.
But Mr. AK, AI Kathal, learned counsel for the petition. And petitioner in WPC number 467/2025, and Mr. G. Goswami, learned counsel representing the respondent number 7. Who's up? Mr. Katha submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter with regard to the fact as to whether the land of the petitioners were included within the area allotted to the respondent number 7 for setting up of the cement factory. Also, Mr. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the DHA council, Dima Hassau, appearing for the Dima Hassau Autonomous Council, submits that he would also receive his instructions in the matter. So accordingly, the registry to discuss matter again on 12/8/2024, along with WPC number 337/2025 and any other pending interlocutory application. So, 12 weeks.
Obliged.
This Lordship. Yesterday, we have received a affidavit copy filed by the respondent number 5. So I would like to reply, Lordship, kindly more some time.
36, affidavit file.
Yes, respondent 5. Yesterday, I have received the copy.
Miss
He but
D. Pathak, learned counsel for the petition, submits that an affidavit filed, a copy of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 has been served on her yesterday. That is 22/7/2025. Accordingly, she submits that she be granted 3 weeks' time to file her rejoinder in the matter. Also, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks, or 2 weeks, 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Also filed affidavit to cover the PMC report.
would like to reply.
So petition parties are at liberty to complete their pleadings by before the next date. Yes, Mr. Sarkar, what are you waiting for? Come here. I've seen you. I thought you have come to see me. What are you waiting?
Item number 54, contested.
50? Heard Mr. S.K. Sarkar, petitioner in person, raised it to list this, raised it to list this matter before any other bench without me. Who can I take a matter where you are appearing? So you can go. Hey, sorrow to me.
We get to do item number 44, my lord.
Hmm.
There's someone who has issue. Please, my lord, till now, we are not able to serve the notices upon the number 12 and.
In item number 44.
We have taken the
43,
second time for-
there is
we
a
have taken the
43.
second- For the second time, we have taken this stress by the justice service, my lord, upon the response about
Who is appearing for 43?
44, I'm appealing 44, my lord.
No, 43. You have not filed a amended cost title? And no affidavit has been filed by the respondent. 9. You are appearing for?
Worship in the next item, I appeal for respondent number 4.
You have filed your affidavit.
My lord, 44, we have filed already.
43 also you are there.
43, worship, we have not received.
Which is the respondent, Mr. Das, we want to, it's not served?
Not 12 and 23, my lord.
Huh?
12 and 23. But so till now, we have not received back the report of the justice service, my lord. For that, so we have to give in time. In the meantime, the matter can be fixed, my lord, for any hearing, my lord.
12 and
12 and 23, my lord. As per the direction of this honorable court, we have taken this service justice service, my lord, for the second time, my lord.
have you
We
submitted?
have already, my lord. But we cannot, till now, we have not received back, my lord.
Oh. So you can get that copy and
Right.
then file an affidavit. I'll give you time for that.
My lord.
Huh?
This matter is back. This matter, the entire matter will be, so, my lord, if the record is produced before your lordship, my lord. By the record is interim order, my lord, that time drawing rule and rules of attention.
Ah.
To the order dated 8/1/2021, my lord.
8/1/21. Yes.
That's the initial order, my lord. The special direction of.
Rita Sinha, that is respondent number 12.
What is respondent number 4? Respondent number 4, my lord.
In item number 43.
44.
44. Who is Rita Sinha is respondent number?
4, my lord.
Oh,
In item number 44, my lord.
4. Okay, okay, okay. And just she is respondent number 16 in the other case. Okay. So Rita Sinha is wife of Manas Sinha. And 9, right? 9 is. And 12 and 9 are the same person. She may. But Rita Sinha is the same person. So 9 is represented by whom? No, anybody appearing for respondent number 12? Just a moment, just a moment, just a moment. Who is appearing for respondent number 4 in WPC 117?
That I agree.
So is this Rita Sinha similar to the Rita Sinha in the other case, respondent number 9 and 12?
He is shown to be the daughter of Rajkumar Sinha.
And here it is wife of Manas Sinha and care of Kartik Sena Sinha. Is this the same person? Just obtain. If that is the service, you can always accept. That will be the end of the matter. Huh? Now, who is 23? Krishna Das Singha.
Rukmini Sinha.
23 is?
Rukmini Sinha.
Huh?
Rukmini Sinha.
In item number? Okay. WPC 117. Okay, 43 is this. Okay, 44. Item number, serial number 23 is Rukmani Sinha. Is Rukmani Sinha a party in the next case also?
In 44 also, my lord. In
44
44 actually, serial number 23, my lord.
23.
23. 23. That's number 23.
No. 27. 27. Is somebody representing her? By anybody? Okay. Heard, Mr. Das, you filed that.
I have a issue, my lord. My lord, on 2nd, 11/22, my lord. So that, my lord, this WPTBC department has been bifurcated, my lord. Now, this issue falls within the domain of social justice and empowerment, my lord. So, my lord, let the name of RM Das maybe, my lord, recorded. He is a standing counsel. Because I can.
Has the party been in?
They are not a party, my lord. Social justice has to be made a party here. Because WPTBC, as of today, doesn't exist. It's not there in the board.
Any affidavit filed by you in the present proceeding?
My lord, the thing is that I have the notification, my lord. If I have to file.
No. Have you already filed, not filed?
No, not filed.
In both the cases, that has to happen.
Both the cases.
Okay. Heard Mr. N.C. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petition in WPC number 117, 43, 44, WPC number 117/2021. So, Mr. Das submits that an affidavit on behalf of the petitioner after effecting service upon the respondent number 12. Respondent number 4 and 23 shall be filed within how many days? 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
By next week, we will be able to file.
I'll give you 2 weeks time.
Okay.
Within 2 weeks from today. Full stop. You have anything left? Nothing. Full stop. Also heard Mr. R. Learned, standing government, additional senior government advocate submits that the WPT and BC department has been bifurcated into.
Three departments. I'm just giving a notification number.
No. You give me the department's name. Into.
My lord, it is social justice and empowerment.
Social justice and empowerment and.
Tribal affairs.
And.
Tribal affairs.
Tribal
affairs plain.
Tribal affairs and another one tribal affairs plain.
Tribal affairs, that is plain.
Plain. P.
And my lord, child and women.
P and child and women departments. Also, he submits that the issue arising in the present petition would fall within the jurisdiction of the
social justice and empowerment.
Social Justice and Empowerment Department. However, they said department has not been made a party respondent in the present matter. Also, accordingly, the Learned Counsel for the petitioners in the above noted two petitions are required to file appropriate application for impleading the authority in the social
Social justice and empowerment.
social justice and empowerment as a party respondent in the present proceedings before the next date of listing. Also, Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 5568/2021 is present. Also, registry to list these matters again after 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. In the meantime, you file that affidavit.
Right.
Okay.
But
And also an interlocutory application, including the secretary to
Yeah,
the government of
Departmental.
Assam, Ministry of whatever it's social. This thing is not coming to
Social
man.
empowerment.
This thing is not coming. We are only concerned with the WPTC and BC.
Yes, madam. Right. Follow still on.
My lord, because of the petitioner's own doing, that matter will not be possible if the lordship kindly take up the affidavit in opposition filed by us. In the first item, my lord, at page 137, my lord. Before coming to this court, they had written to my lord, the director of higher education, regarding violation of that order by which my lord, we were not allowed to take my lord anybody. on
Okay,
protection.
forget it. This is,
No, my lord, kindly see thereafter, my lord. There is a direction. I had a principal had been called to the director of higher education. He was admonished. And thereafter, my lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page number, my lord, 142, your lordship will kindly see how he was called there. Page number 142. And thereafter, my lord, at page number 150, my lord.
end of the,
End of, end of the matter, my lord.
you have burned your own bridges. Can't help it. Wanted to do something for you. In Asmis, there is a word, no? To study.
My lord, to the chief minister, to the labor minister, to the education minister, my lord.
But the Learned Council for the party settling registered to list this matter again on 4/8/2025 for delivery of orders. Dismissing.
I'm different. My lord, on fourth, my lord, if I'm not available.
No need, no need. Mr. Chaudhary, you are not required.
And thank
So Borua would be there, that is enough.
and thank
But I'll record your name.
My-
Naam kita likhi. Mr. Borua, just write the names of everybody. Whoever is.
I'm with you.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Bani.
So the instruction which was not coming for last 5 years have finally come. So this is the way you get instructions. Every case we are going to do this.
Because, madam, I cannot say that, because, madam, file, the officer sort of was missing, madam. Because I cannot say, madam, communicators, person was also made on the file. What happened? But, madam, another petition is also pending.
This is an instruction in some other case pertaining to the same thing.
Yes, madam.
So this instruction, if I read, her license still is in existence.
Yes, existence, but because, my lord, with their license, my lord, the hearing was conducted. Second.
Is this case pending or disposed of?
That case also pending, madam.
Pending. Okay, fine. It is stated at the back that pertaining to the fair price soap shop earlier operated by late Riazul Haq Chaudhary.
Please, madam.
from the side. Same thing, madam.
Riazul Haq Chaudhary, another writ petition being WPC number 697/2025 is presently pending disposal before this court. Accordingly, registered to list the present writ petition along with WPC number 697/2025 on this 30th. Next week. 6/8/2026. Mr. Bhuyan, let both they come, we'll dispose it all. Because if I pass an order here, it may affect the other.
Apply.
Yes.
It's not irreversible. But one last location, some instruction was called for on the respondent. This case is my lord relating to the rejection of my self permission order.
Reason for rejection has been, my lord, mentioned and applicant has received in an auto-generated message in his or registered mobile number. Speaking order was not passed.
Where is that reasoned order?
My lord.
Where is that reasoned order?
Auto-generated in a mobile number.
You have received?
No, my lord. Actually, my rejection was, page 47, annexure 8.
Your rejection is on 15/7/2024.
My lord.
Where is that message? What is the ground given?
There is no ground mentioned.
No ground given in that port.
No ground mentioned here.
But the reason for the rejection has been received.
That is what I said.
mobile.
What ground did you receive in your rejection letter?
Nothing is there. That's mentioned in the last, the application is rejected by the ADC, rejected as per recommendation of CO as there is dispute regarding the land. This is the
Where are you reading?
page 47, annexure 8. Last column, my lord. Bottom side.
46 is the receipt. 47. Okay, what is the dispute here, Mr. Das?
But the rejection is done on the basis of a circle officer report.
What is that report?
My lord, after that, I have filed.
It has been clearly mentioned in the registered mobile number of the applicant.
That is the mobile. This is the thing he got.
No, my lord, that is.
You have got anything further than this?
No, my lord. That's
In the message format in the registered mobile number.
in this regard, my lord, after receiving this rejection, I have filed an RTI to came to know exact reason of my rejection. My lord. Then RTI application is page 48.
We have seen
And
that.
by this, and the reply is, my lord, page 50. Page 50. Assamese vernacular is page 51, annexure 10.
61.
Page 51, Assamese vernacular, my lord.
This 9/1/24 is your application.
9/1/24.
In page 51,
51.
NOC number dated number abedon kon nakos hoise.
No,
So
this
this
is-
nakos is your application.
This is a reply of my RTI.
Where is that report of the CO? Second one.
Second one, my lord. Here is mentioned kindly annexure 11, my lord. Annexure 12, page 54, my lord. There is an agreement. There is an agreement. The reason behind my rejection, my lord, authority stated that in respect of same land, plot of land, one sale agreement executed among the other party, my lord. Now, annexure 12, page 54. Because of this agreement, my application was rejected. Page 54, annexure 12.
This is an agreement between the vendor.
between the some other person. This agreement was executed in.
You were to buy a land, plot of land. You wanted to buy a plot of land or sell a plot of land?
Here is, I am a registered power of attorney holder
Hmm,
of a plot of land.
hmm.
And out of said plot of land, now I want to sell some portion of land measuring with 15 lesser.
Who gave you that power of attorney?
Power of attorney, my lord, registered power of attorney is annexed, my lord.
Now, what is the name of the person?
Page 15, I hold that.
50?
15, page 15.
50.
Operating part is page 17, my lord. One, Vishnumuni Sutia, son of late Bimbishwar Sutia. And these two brothers given me power of attorney, who are the HCL owner of
And the agreement of sale is made by Dimbesa Sutia.
Bimbishwar Sutia and some other person.
Be that as it may. What right do you have?
But we are filing our representation wherein denied.
You are only a power of attorney holder.
This agreement we are denied. Yes, I am the power of attorney.
If the main person who has given you the power of attorney is going for a sale, how can you
So this is
dispute that?
unregistered sale agreement which was executed in the year of 2017, which are denied in our representation.
Heard Mr. Jiuddin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
Take care, sir. Madam.
A.K. Azad, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Pleadings complete?
The principal instructor.
Mr. Das, submit, you are not filing any affidavit.
Affidavit not filed.
If your lordship.
Mr. N. Das submits that he has received his instructions in the matter and would file his affidavit within a period of 4 weeks from today. Prayer accepted, register to list this matter after 4 weeks on date to its right. What?
I'm seeking here, my lord, some.
Yes, Mr. Dhar, one clarification. If a power of attorney is given and the owner goes and makes, will the power of attorney holder have anything?
No, my lord.
Mr. Azad, I can dismiss it, but my steno can't take it today. There is very heavy load of work. That's why I'm leaving.
Yeah, but in the said rejection.
If that's so, my lord, let the instruction remain in the record, that may be recorded instead of filing an affidavit.
In my representation, I am only seeking, I may be allowed to some opportunity to say rejection procedure.
You go and convince your person who has given you the attorney.
And this sale
Okay.
agreement on the, my lord, after 4 weeks. My lord.
No, today,
My lord.
today. Now you show me.
On the
What is your right?
On the strength of this sale agreement, my.
Your only thing is this
My lord,
power of attorney
My lord.
and the,
at the base, he can declaration the power of attorney still exists.
My lord.
You can file a suit.
File with the respondent.
Who is stopping them, my lord?
After 4 weeks, my lord. After in the meeting.
Le-
4 weeks is 6 weeks.
No, my lord, only that may be recorded, my lord. Instruction is.
No, you file your affidavit. You're also all same. Fine. Why can't the circle officer give a reason? If he has given a reason to him, why is he not producing it before us? Huh? Okay, fine.
My lord.
4 weeks at our.
4 weeks.
You want? Yes, Mr. Kumar, have you affected the service? Have your office affected the service?
Lordship, the possibly copy is not served upon us.
Madam, you have not served a copy?
Respondent number 8, Lord.
Huh?
Yes, Lord.
Where? To whom?
We have.
Learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve a copy of the writ petition along with annexures to Mr. K. Kumar, standing counsel so and so, for service of notice upon the respondent number 8 by 2 working days from today.
Traffic on 14/5.
To whom?
It was signed by S. Doctor.
Yes, Doctor. Your person only.
Yes, yes.
Now take the follow-up measures.
Yes.
It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that in terms of the order dated 2/5/2025, extra copies of the writ petition have already been served to the Learned Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Full stop. Mr. K. Kumar would now take requisite steps for for effecting service of notice upon the respondent number 8 in terms of the directions passed by this court while order dated 2/5/2025. Register to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Well,
Need trigger. It is regarding land acquisition complaint.
Yes.
drops.
Yes. Where is your
Obstruction event.
Mr. Endas, learning council? But these matters, why keep it pending? You only have to get a small instruction.
I'll do it.
Mr. Endas, learning government appearing for the state respondent, submit that he be granted further 3 weeks time to complete his instructions. Puso. Prayer accepted. The registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by Puso, Mr. M. Learned Council for the petition. Petition R. Learned Council for the petitioner is present.
Oblige.
Kindly look at the order dated 6/6/25. Affidavit has not been filed with government.
Now your front part was dug. Then a culvert was made. What is left here now? That has been remedied. You are moving out and fro. Your client is coming to meet you. Whoever it is, you are holding a brief. Yes.
That much, as much, instruction has been given me.
This is done.
Done, madam.
Call Mr. P. K. Chaudhary. We will see. Why should I send a matter back when it can be disposed of?
There is nothing, my lord. We have until
You dug, you put, you have now made it plain.
finished.
Just get that. Call your client. Come back before I rise. Hmm.
So even after 18/6 order, they have not furnished the extra provision work done, not taking a statement. Although it is a matter of 2021.
Yes, madam.
The last order, there, we have to furnish the extra copies. Yesterday, we have furnished the copy.
Then their title suit is also pending.
What happened? The title suit has been withdrawn. That it was an eviction suit. That has been withdrawn already. That has been withdrawn. Who was the owner of that property? Respondent number?
Order number
But here
Six.
basically it is against the police
Six.
action. Yes.
order number 6.
You give him the extra copy today itself. Now. Ms. Shaha,
As Paul.
as Paul, learned counsel for the petition, undertakes that the copy of the petition, extra copies of the petition shall be furnished to the learned government advocate during the course of the day. So, register to list this matter again on Friday. I will buy slip to you. If you don't make that service, I'm dismissing. Second thing. We can't keep such matters. Huh? This Friday, only to see whether the copies have been given. That, we have to do that now. Can't help it. Madam, if the copies are not served within today, dismiss, take it from me, go wherever you want to.
Madam, we have to implead respondent number 5, madam. And we file an IA to implead the respondent number 5.
Where is that I?
But the thing is that some defect is there, filing number is here with
What is your name?
MM Zaman Lord.
NM?
MM Zaman Lord. On
M-
behalf of S. Samaria Lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that an interlocutory application has already been filed for praying for impleading. Impleading whom?
Impleading respondent number 5, Lord.
No, no, what is his name? For impleading a necessary party in the present writ petition. However,
You put my answer.
the same has not been listed. So, registry, accordingly, the matter stands adjourned. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks, along with the interlocutory application stated to have been filed.
Chief Justice.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, yes, Mr. Doctor, what are you all waiting for? Both of you in the same case? 58, yes. Anything urgent?
So, well, I'll pray for there is already an interim order, but I'll pray for some protection.
Okay. Who is there for the respondent?
They're standing down the road there.
And Mr. Doctor, you are for item?
46.
Oh, we are reaching them. 2 minutes. No, I don't like senior counsels to be kept waiting. That's the only thing. Yes, Mr. Doctor.
In this matter, I have filed an IA for striking off the name of private respondent number 8. IA serial 2048.
2048.
He is the husband of the landlady from whom I have purchased, the petitioners have purchased the close of the building.
Shankar Bachcha.
Yes.
Why?
My lord, we have taken several times, we have taken steps, and although he is not the land owner of this lot of land.
You no objection?
No objection.
Heard Mr. A. Learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S. Learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. S. Musahari, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 3, 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Also heard Mr. G. G.R. Doctor, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 7. The present interlocutory application has been instituted, praying for deletion of the name of the opposite party number 8, who is the respondent number 8 in the connected petition, on the ground that he is not a necessary and a proper party for adjudication of the issues arising in connected petition. Also, the learned counsel for the respondents have not objected to this setback. Also, in view of the above position, the opposite party number 8 in the present interlocutory application, accordingly, in view of the above, this court directs that the name of the respondent number 8 in the connected petition be deleted. Full stop. Accordingly, the present interlocutory application stands disposed of. Petition of the in terms of the order passed today in IA bracket C number 2048/2025, raised the name of the respondent number 8 herein stands deleted. Petitioner to file an amended cost title within 2 working days from today. Also, raised it to this matter again after 2 weeks on date to by
In the meantime, we will be allowed to file our affidavit.
The parties are at liberty to complete their pleadings in the meantime. Any
So
interim
better-
order?
No, madam. Since it's a 21 matter and when illegal construction.
1 week. Yeah.
no, no,
Oh, you will have to file your affidavit. 2 weeks.
Please. Obliged.
Yes, sir. For the it will not then my learned friend is appeared for the private respondent.
No, I'm appearing for the private respondent.
Okay.
As per the lordship will go to the office note, despite repeated direction from this honorable court, the petitioner has failed to take necessary steps upon the private respondent. That's why obtaining an interim order on 6/12/2023.
Okay, you are appearing for 7, 8 and 9.
7, 8 numbers.
File an interlocutory application, we'll see.
No, sir, my humble submission, this petition is not material in the very fast one.
Bring it on record. He'll also have to respond. Bring it on record either by way of an IA or by way of an affidavit. We will see. Seen the. Huh? Now, anybody left to be served? No, everybody is served. Seen the office note dated 15/7/2025. The service of notice upon the respond number 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9 is complete. The said respondents are duly represented by a counsel. Accordingly, service being complete, registry is directed to list these matters for admission hearing on a date to be fixed by In the meanwhile, it is directed that the petitioner shall ensure service of extra copies of the writ petition upon the learned counsel for the respondent. Why are you all not doing this? See, this is again obstruction of justice. This is delaying the consideration of the matter.
I'll wait.
And one case I'll take up, we'll do something. Please don't feel bad thereof.
But there is an interim order. Interim order.
Why should I extend that in? Tell me. Come.
Lordship, if the
You want a part of the order of this court to be extended while you have not complied with the other.
Lordship, I have
Why?
supplied, I have
Where?
supplied the extra copy.
Where? Show me.
Lordship, in the very beginning, Lordship, when the order was passed, Lordship.
But they say they don't receive it.
Lordship, in the official,
One copy of the writ petition, they'll have to send. Na?
in the status, Lordship, I have.
Have you ever appeared for the respondents at any point of time?
Lordship,
You have appeared only for the petitioners. You have appeared for the respondents also.
Yes,
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the
Okay.
next date of this.
obliged, Lordship.
Next time, I'm just making a note. Next time I find something like this about you, I'll just dismiss that writ petition.
Obliged.
Service upon the respondent those to be sought with complete admission. The legitimate food is there.
Same the office, order of the Lajima Court, 23/6/2025, which reflects that service of notice in respect of respond number 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, and 21 has been completed. So anybody representing them?
No, I am 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17.
So in view of the above, service upon the respondents being complete, registry to list this matter for admission hearing after 2 weeks. Just write down your names for the Mr. B. Sinha for the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M.J. Kadi, learned counsel for respondents number 8, private respondent, number 8. Mr. Kadi, you just write down your respondent numbers. Yes, Mr.
Reading is complete, my lord. So lordship, it's a
This is a contempt matter.
content.
What pleadings are required? Yes, what happened?
The file our affidavit.
Oh, fine. What about our orders? Directions?
Yes.
You file affidavits, there is no problem. But what about the directions? Why is it not being complied with? Is it impossible to comply with? Appeal file,
Nothing.
appeal file,
No,
review file.
No.
Then when are you complying with it?
Also, can you go through my affidavit?
I don't want to go through. I want to know why my orders are not being complied with.
Page 39 and except my affidavit.
And what is the direction, Ms. Monta? What is the direction? Representation disposal.
Yes.
You can't do that much also.
no, they have disposed of the representation.
Where?
But that is page 42, my lord. The report that they filed in their affidavit of opposition, Lordship may see. But what they have stated, my lord, that they could not comply the order.
Where is that order? Where is that thing?
Page 42, my lord, in my, I think some, it may be 37 also, my lord, in your ship's record.
Okay.
Lordship got this. 10/3/2025, my lord. They could not comply because there is lack of records.
But here the question is a representation disposal. There is no specific direction given that dispose it in this manner or that manner. Just take a decision.
That has
If they have taken a decision, where is that willful and deliberate violation?
So lordship, they have to dispose it in accordance with the law.
If
Now-
they have not done, Mr. Where, you come here. Come to page 25.
Yes, my lord.
That is the direction.
Yes.
So what is the final?
Lordship may see. in the
They
top-
have calculated a particular amount as compensation due to you.
In terms of honorable district judgment, my lord, and order, my lord, and the high court order, my lord, they have to calculate on the basis, all the state has to be separately done. Now,
Mr. Roy.
What is the finding, my lord? Lordship may see in their letter, my lord. I
Fine.
just read it, my lord, that they disposed of my
This is the disposal, 37.
no, 10/3/2025.
Huh?
Yes. Lordship may initially at Lordship may see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth paragraph, my lord, the writ petitions accordingly. Lordship. As a lordship got. Yes. The writ petitions accordingly recorded their appearance in the meeting dated 27/2/2025 and also submitted the written statement copy enclosed. The issues related to the writ petitioners in their written statement requires issue-based detailed discussions and the committee decided to refix the matter for another week. Now, no, nothing has been fixed. Now, lordship may see the last but one parameter, next page. Because everything has been discussed here, my lord, the court's order has been discussed. They have to dispose as per the court's order, my lord. In this regard, lordship may see the last but one paragraph, my lord. In this regard, preparation of revised draft compensation statement, the district level committee constituted by the district commissioner, Hubli by letter number so dated 2012/2024, enclosed for the purpose of convene the discussion, determine the method for calculation to be observed due to lack of available records in this office. Moreover, the claimant also could not produce any feasible record in this regard, and hence the amount of compensation of the 6 permanently settled states and 13 Likaraj states could not be assessed as per the judgment of mention above, and decided to prepare the draft compensation statement based on
That judgment is of the district judge.
the district judge and the high court, my lord, and then the Supreme Court. Supreme Court dismisses it, my lord.
Supreme Court, that order was passed 18 years back.
Yes, but they said the records, my lord, but the records are there. I can prove from the pleadings I have annexed that the records were with them. Lordship may
Okay,
see.
you come back, challenge this. You
No.
only have to, but the direction here is a
Lordship,
represent.
hear this matter, I may fix any that I'm ready today also, but it will take time, my lord.
No, we are with you.
Yes. The lordship may see first, my lord. a
But tell
page-
me, where is that willful and deliberate violation? That much only you should.
Oh, but they
This is
have
the contempt
supposed-
petition,
my
Mr.
lord,
Roy.
Once
I am exercising my powers under contempt jurisdiction.
right, man.
It's circumscribed, I can go beyond para 19 of the order.
My case is that only, my lord. They have not followed the learned discharges order, neither the high. Court-
Fine, you come back, we'll see, we'll examine it. The representation has been disposed of. They have determined a particular amount of compensation.
That is absolutely
Fine.
wrong, my lord.
Fine, you come back. You come back. You come back by
Again
way
with-
of a
again with the
repetition.
writ, my lord.
Huh?
Again with the writ.
Naturally, I can't help it. Yeah, because there is no stipulation here that you have to do it in a particular manner. Representation disposal, they have considered, given their reasons and come to a conclusion. Now, beyond that, I can't say this is a deliberate and
But
willful violation.
But if your lordship reads the entire order carefully, my lord, lordship will
I
see-
need not, I only have to see the operative portion. I can't interpret an order when I am
Right.
in a
No, I'm
plain
not saying
meaning,
interpreting the order, my lord. Order is there.
plain meaning what is there, that will hold you.
But I don't want the lordship to interpret the order, but the order is itself there.
Mr. Roy, you come back with a writ petition, highlight these grounds, we will consider. That would be an appropriate forum for this court to consider. But here I doubt.
I will file, that is another part, my lord. But question is this, my lord, whether they have truly they have decided the case.
That is not the issue which I can, show me a decision. Show me a decision of the Supreme Court on this one. It's willful and deliberate violation. Here, I am satisfied that there is no willful and deliberate violation. I can't go further.
Lordship take it day after tomorrow, my lord.
Why day after? Whenever you want.
No, day after tomorrow.
Mr. On the prayer of Mr. J. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, raised it to list this matter again on Friday. Slip it forward. Miss P.R. Monto, Learned Counsel for the respondents is present.
Right.
Yes,
The contempt matter.
compliant. Ah, very good. Got your money?
Yes, no, but
Mr. S. Dr. Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent submit that the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 23/2/2024 has since been complied with. So he has placed on record a fund release order dated 17/6/2025 authorizing to the petitioner herein an amount of rupees 2 lakhs as ex gratia compensation. Also, in view of the above, the order being complied with, the directions of passed by this court being complied with, the present contempt petition stands closed. Notices issued stand recalled. A copy of the fund release order dated 17/6/2025 furnished by the Mr. S. Doctor is kept on record and marked as X.
one copy.
Hmm?
One copy.
Give him a copy.
Okay, public.
An IA has been filed, Mr.
Yes,
But there is already an interim order.
yes, my lord.
Hmm.
There is not only an interim, my lord, and status quo NT order has been issued. Now, the brief facts are, my lord.
Now, what is the order you want today?
Today, what we want is, my lord, payment to this third party should be withheld. Because it is my contract, it is my material, somebody else is utilizing it and doing it. They should not release any payment in favor of the third party. And my lord will kindly see it, they have engaged an agency to undertake the work without any work order. But this is not a paternal property of some officer. The extent, you know, they issue a show cause notice. In that show cause notice, they say.
Where is that interim direction?
Yes. If a lordship to kindly have this order, that will clarify everything. 11/6/25 in IA 1856. Please
My
have
lord,
that
so-
order, my lord. Please come to para 12, my lord.
page 6 internal of that order. Keeping in mind that despite the order dated 27/5/25 passed by this court in this so to the effect that no further coercive action be taken against the applicant petitioner without taking leave of this court, it prima facie appears from the documents brought on record by an additional experiment as referred to above, as well as the pleadings made in the interlocutory application, that subsequent to the passing of the order, respondents have continued with the subject work allotted to the applicant petitioner through engaging a third party by utilizing materials purchased by the applicant petitioner in respect of the subject work. The aforesaid action of the state.
Okay. Yes,
I filed an affidavit in this regard, my lord.
in here,
Yeah, my lord.
what is your stand?
Today filed.
Today.
Today.
Okay, what is your stand?
My lord, after termination of the war.
I'm
no-
sorry, there is a status quo ante given.
Yes, my lord.
It is the allegation
No
that
work
it is
has
his
been-
material, you are getting somebody, you are giving the hajira only or the cost of the material also.
No, my lord, we have not used the.
So you have done, you have not done, don't do anything for him.
But it is the responsible for the.
We'll consider that. We are examining the matter. We'll consider that. We'll consider that. This IA has not been disposed of.
No, Mr.
So, Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Gautam, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. A.K. Doctor, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4. Mr. K. Chaudhary, by drawing the attention to the directions passed by this court by the order dated 11/6/2025, has submitted that in spite of the fact that this court had granted status quo ante as on 27/5/2025, the subject work allotted to the applicant public petitioner, the respondent authorities are proceeding to have the work executed by the respondent number 3 by utilizing the materials stored at the site by the petitioner. So he further submits that for the works so done by the respondent number 3, the respondent authorities are proceeding. They have not paid, they are proceeding.
Yes. I think, yes.
They are proceeding to make payments. He submits that in view of the directions passed by this court, by the order dated 11/6/2025, such payment to the respondent number 3 would not be called for. Also, Mr. A.K. Doctor, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4 has submitted that he has filed an affidavit in the matter today. Also, be that as it may, in view of the directions passed by this court by the order dated 11/6/2025, it is provided that till the next returnable date, no payment shall be released to the respondent number
No, my lord.
3.
Through the office of not to the respondent number 3, it is a third party. It is the respondent number 3 who will make the payment.
Okay, no payment.
Payment will be made by respondent
No payment shall be made by the respondent number 3
to the third party.
to any party engaged for executing the work allotted to the petitioner. Allotted to the petitioner in the petition and involved in the present proceedings. That will
And they will not undertake any further work, my lord.
My lord,
that
no,
we will
that's
see.
not
That we will see.
termination. My lord, we have not used, but the petitioner engage another person. Please come to my. Come.
No payment shall be made by the respondent number 3 to any third party engaged to execute the work allotted to the respondent petitioner. Till the next date, you clarify, we'll see. Because there is a status quo ante order.
Yes, my lord.
Have you filed a application or gone upon appeal?
But our statement is that they have, we have.
Mr. Chaudhary, why are you not, if that ante is there, why are you not continuing with the work?
They're not permitting us.
Permit him.
They are continuing the work by by entrusting the work to third party.
Who? The petitioner.
Yeah,
We have not been allowed.
that is our.
You, Mr. Doctor, you allow Mr. Chaudhary
Yes.
and Mr. Gautam to do the work. They are coming. When they will
Yes.
come to your office?
Yes.
Tell us.
Will come.
He has come to your office on Monday.
Lordship may observe that, but we will go tomorrow. That in terms of the status quo ante order, will report
So-
for work.
It is provided that in view of the status quo ante order passed by this court, it is open to the respondent, official respondents to allow the petitioner to continue to execute the work in.
Yes, set aside, terminated, already terminated.
There is a status quo ante. When was the termination order?
Termination order is not stayed, my lord, by this court.
Okay. Huh?
5-5, but
5-5. And the status quo ante is of,
27-5.
so how come
That's why. Violator not to revoke.
termination is on 5-5?
Yes.
Then
Then
27.
initially on first 12, my lord, no coercive measure.
Okay.
Then on 27-5 status quo ante. That means on the day of
As
the
on,
first order.
as on 27-5 it
Yes,
says.
yes.
So what is the significance of that date, 27-5?
That was the date on which the first interim order was passed.
Not to revoke the.
Second. I'm sorry, my lord, second interim order.
Second entry. Okay. A last line to come. We'll not pass that last line, last paragraph to come. We'll see it on the next day. Last to continue. As it will come, good issue, it will continue.
The thing is, my lord, in terms of the status quo order, they will not go ahead, they will not permit the third.
We will see, because we have protected you, they can't release the
At
money,
least payment they cannot.
they can't release, so he'll also rush in now. Let's see what happens.
Deeply.
Very good. Raised it to list this matter again after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date 2 weeks.
Also say kindly give a date.
Huh?
Kindly give a date.
You give me.
After, date of the
Raised is directed to list this
Seven?
matter again on. I think Monday
maybe
is
on the 13th, my lord, or 14th.
13 Wednesday, 13, 8/2020.
Deeply.
Okay. 이거요? 나누나이니. Kukurballah. By slip video. None appears for the parties on call. Registered to list this matter again on Friday. Huh? Now, you order to upload to rolling.